Buy is probably above
visit the
500 are pretty,
website and then click
185
join
is
now
pretty
button,
clean.
and then you
What's
can
our range to the
join
weekly resistance? Yeah,
and
19
go
pip
as a
range,
trader.
pretty beautiful, pretty
Also,
clean.
the link
And
you
I
can
think
find
anything
at the
closing
top
above
of the
just this
chat,
resistance here should
where
give us
once you
opportunities
click
towards the
the
upside.
link, you go to the
We have a small
website
watch zone
and then
here
click join now
at
button. I would recommend you to join the
weekly
lifetime
has top wick
access so that you
on
can
broker.
have
I'll
access
check
to
on the
everything
broker.
for the rest of your life,
But
so that you can, as long
this is
as
just a
you are
small
trader,
watch
you
zone
can
right
be
here on the
here. We
15th
are
that
a
we
big
just might have to
community,
keep an eye on,
and
and
this is
we
my
should be able
passion,
to
as you know,
push
the
through
day
this.
in,
If
day
not,
out.
if we get too
I'm
deep
a
of a
trader.
close,
I
then we'll have
spend
to wait
all
for
my
above
time in
this,
trading. So
which
I'm
still
here
gives us a
anytime.
good
Once
tradable
you're here,
range
you can get me in
of
your
14
contact.
pips on the 30-minute. What is this? Yeah, it's a resistance. So this is gonna be a watch zone here
Yes,
for sure.
absolutely. Pyramid.
1
Yeah,
hour,
this is what
it's
I'm
clean.
here.
So
As
yeah,
long
it's
as
kind of a
you
resistance here. So
see, when
especially
you go to
after this candle
university,
came from news, we
the
want to be
coach,
watching what's
the teacher
behind
will
these
guide
levels
you
here.
for
So
5 years, 6
that's
years,
what I'm
7
gonna be
years,
watching.
and
But
then
if
you
we can
become
get a
a
close
master.
above
Okay,
this
this is
resistance
how it
here,
works.
I
No
expect it to
problem.
push
As
through
long as
185
you
because we basically
need,
tapped
I'm here,
185.
but
So
I
just a
want
close
you to
above
become an
resistance here
independent
in
trader.
the next 20
Over
minutes should
time,
be
and you
good.
can do that.
By
Okay.
10 a.m. I'm not taking
Just
positions before
yesterday
10
I
a.m.
was
Because
listening
of
to
based on the
a
volume
fast
we've seen
trader,
last
and
week. That's what put us in that heavy drawdown, and I don't want to be put in that
yeah, absolutely.
situation.
Yeah,
So
that's yeah,
exactly what I'm
it
gonna wait
took
for
time,
here.
it
Yeah, it'd
take
be nice
time,
to see a
okay?
good, strong
At
30-minute
least you
close
need
as
to
well.
give yourself 2
Pretty
years,
clean, pretty easy
3
to be
years
honest. We'll wait for
time,
the setups here
then you
on
can
GJ,
but
and
once
hopefully they
you are,
present themselves a
you
nice
know,
opportunity.
in this
As for
academy,
gold,
or
on the other
if
hand,
you are
because I
with a
know a lot
mentor,
of
it will be speeding up.
I know a
Okay,
lot
this
of
is
people
the
trade gold here.
law of the
Gold
universe,
is
okay?
trying to break out of this range here.
So
So
how do you
previous
calculate the
daily,
lot size when
let's
managing
go
risk?
ahead and do probably fresh
So
analysis here. Yeah, let's do
Peter,
fresh analysis.
okay, very good question.
So fresh
Lot size
analysis on
calculation.
gold start
I
on the
will
weekly
quickly
time frame.
explain
So
lot
weekly's
size
closing
calculation. There
bullish
are
created
two
a
ways.
nice
It's a
support,
very important point.
and we should be able
Lot
to
size
push if we're
calculation.
breaking this
Now,
high and maintain.
to
We should be able to
calculate
push
the
up
lot
here,
size,
fill at least
what
up to
you need
1942 on a weekly
two
time
ways
frame
you can do
standpoint.
that.
I don't
First
have
of
to really
all,
mark anything on
if
a
you
weekly.
have
It's
a
not too
built-in,
relevant
if
at
you
the
are
moment.
trading
On the
mobile,
daily
then
time
you
frame,
need,
this kind of zone here, it's
third-party
interesting. This
apps
zone we
or
can see
website
where
to
we've
calculate the
rejected,
lot
and I'm
size. I
sure
will
this
show
will
you now how you
populate on
can
the
do
4
that.
hour. So
There's
I'm gonna
another
put
way
this
you
as
can
a
do. If you
4 hour
if you are
resistance,
trading
and
on
I'm sure this
desktop,
is
I
gonna be a
always
resistance
recommend
on the
to use,
4
if
hour.
there is an
We can see
MP4,
multiple
then
rejections from
using
here.
an
Rejecting,
MP4 lot
currently.
size
So
calculator,
we want to get
alright,
above
which
this
is
before we can
available,
look to hit
one
where
available
our
in
next
our
daily
forex trading
resistance,
wizard
which is going to
academy.
be
If
this
you go
zone
to
right
your
here.
dashboard,
So that's going to
go
be
to
the
the
target
trading
for
tool, you
continuation
can
if we can
download
get
it
above
for your
1926, right?
just copy
So
paste,
that's the daily
and then use
resistance.
it when you are
No bottom
using
wick on the daily.
MP4.
I'll have to check the broker to see if it's the
If you
same.
are using
But that's, of
mobile
course,
trade, let's say
a
if you
threat
are
because at
opening
any
your trade
time
on
this
the
could
mobile
flip,
phone,
especially
then
if we
you
start
can go
rejecting
to,
where we are.
also we have a
And
website version
yeah,
of
that is that 4 hour
lot size
resistance.
calculator.
So
So if
very
you go
nice
to
to
our
see.
forex trading
And this
wizard
is how
academy
you understand
website,
that wicks are
this is our
candles on
website
lower
where
time frames, right?
you
Wicks
can
are
find,
candles
you see
on
this
lower time
position
frames.
size calculator.
So
if you
this is
visit
what
our
I mean
website,
about the 4 hour resistance would have lined up from that
so
zone. So
whenever you open
crucial to
a
get above
trade,
this zone. Everyone's
what you
going to
need
try be buying
is
price, and
just
they're going to forget
quickly
about this zone,
keep that one
and they're going to
image,
get clapped.
keep this
So
one in your,
at the end of the day,
bookmark
you
or
need
in
to
your
be
mobile
watching
phone, just keep it.
these zones
And
here
then
and make
once
sure that
here, just click position
you have an
size
eye on this
calculator.
1926. If we
It
can
will
get
take
above
less than a
1926, I
minute.
think buys is
Then
pretty
how do you
clean.
do that? For example,
To
you
take you up to the
found
next
a
4 hour
buy trade on
resistance
gold,
here in New York,
GBPSG. Let's say
should
you
be
wanna
good
buy
session here.
GBPSG.
So
Stop
watch
loss
this 1
below
hour
is
close.
low,
If this 1 hour
take
close can
profit.
close above 1926, maybe you
Here,
have
alright,
options in
let's say you
London.
want to
Personally, I'm not
take
going to
this
trade
trade
gold
as
in
an
London
example.
session.
It's not a real
Uh,
trade. And now from
yeah,
that zone,
I mean it
you
is
have
pretty
a
clean
stop
though.
loss
That
of
is very
12
very
pip.
clean, to be honest.
Let's
So
say your
I think above
risk
here would be good
is
options to see, especially with
your
the 1
account
hour
size
close
is
happening
an
in
example, $100,
around 12
$1,000.
minutes or
So
so.
now, how
So
much
that would
lot
be
size
ideal to
you
see.
should buy for
So
this trade?
if you could get a close
have
above
a
there,
30
anyone
pip
who's
stop
trading gold
loss,
during
right? So
London
what you
session
need
and that's
is
in their
just,
plan, that was where your options is going to come.
it just
But for me,
click.
I think
This
I
is the
like the looks of
website.
GJ
So
here.
first first thing you
and
need to select
I want to try buy GJ towards the
GBP
upside
USD.
hopefully
So
and get a
you
nice
select
trade.
GBP USD.
So that is my plan.
You
And
select
now
the
we
currency
wait
pair.
for the
The
setups to
next thing
form,
you select
and we'll
is
see if
the
we can
risk
get a close above here to
percentage,
continue
1%,
bullish.
2%, or you can
So yeah, that's
change
the
risk
analysis.
by
Hope you guys enjoyed the analysis.
currency.
Nice
Right? So you need to select
330
your
of us in here
currency.
this morning. 69
Let's
likes.
assume that you
Quite like the number, but you know what I'm
currencies
gonna ask?
USD.
If you guys enjoyed the analysis,
And
can
now
we
you
please
can risk
do
by percentage
the
or
YouTube
by currency. Let's
business?
say you
So
want
I'd
to risk
appreciate the
by
YouTube business.
currency
If you
or
could leave a
amount
like,
of
at
money
least
that
get
you
it
want
up
to
to
risk,
200
or
likes. I really greatly would
amount of
appreciate that. You know the YouTube
percentage
business
you want to risk.
and
Okay,
part
let's say
of
you
the
want to
drill,
risk
part of the drill.
$50 for
So
the
if we could
trade
do the
by
YouTube business, we'll greatly
by
appreciate
amount.
it.
And your account balance. Now, what's your account balance? Could be $500,000 based on, you just put your account balance here, and then stop loss peep.
What's the
now,
spread
how
on
many,
GJ
how
right
many
now?
peep
Let's
of
have a look
stop
at my
loss that
spread.
we are using here? You're using 13 peep stop loss.
My spread
So
on
if you put
GJ
the
right
13
now
peep here,
is
can give that 13 peep.
1
Just
pip.
that's it. It will take less than a minute. Let's say 20 seconds, and then calculate. So it will give you the lot size 0.385 lot. All right, that's how you need to buy. So basically, if you
Hey, you
open
just
this trade on GBP USD,
you
stop
use just
loss
simple
13
price
pip,
action, nothing else. Nope, I don't
Uh,
need, because what is
then
RSI moving
risking
averages? So
$20,
stochastics are
then
all
you
based
need to
on what the
buy
candles are doing, right?
0.318 lot.
So if
the
you
trade
can read the
goes
candles,
other
you don't
direction,
need
then
those
you'll
to
be,
give you confirmation.
going
You can
minus
just trade what's in front
$20.
of you.
Otherwise, your trade will be in the direction you will keep profiting. So this is how you will calculate the lot size.
You enter your trade on your
based
phone, not
if
your
you are
PC.
trading
No, I enter my
mobile phone
trade
or
on
even
my
the
PC. I have
desktop
my
if you
broker
don't
open
have a
up
lot
here.
size calculator
So I
built in
enter
your
on my PC. I
platform.
have
So
it open up
this is a
here.
very great way to understand. So
But
this is the
for
website. This
ease
is our
of being on
Forex Trading
stream,
Wizard
I do
Academy
press the
website
button
where
on
you
my
can
phone.
find this lot size calculator. This is called the position
Have you
size
checked the weekly on the
calculator.
broker? Yeah, we
It's
trade the
free,
same broker,
you
bro.
can use it. And also in
It will be,
addition,
I trust
if
you.
you want
I
to
trust you.
join
You
our
tell me every
academy
single
to
time.
be part of our trading
you're
community
correct.
where you
Yes,
can
it does
learn
have a
our
bottom width.
strategies to build your career as a trader, and also you can see all the trade that I am opening. You can come here, you can click join now button, or click here to join or find out more. It will take you to the page where you can join. I'll recommend you to do that, as once you do that,
Silver
investing
close
on
inside
yourself
orange
is the
range for
best,
longs. Yeah,
investment
kind of
you
similar
ever
plan
can
with
find.
gold, right?
So let's see now on
Similar
GBP
plan
USD, we
with
see
gold.
that some upside movement along with
Just
gold.
watch the volume during London. You kind of
Let's
want
find
this
out
in New York would
what
be
gold is
ideal.
doing on the lower
Maybe a
time frame. We
thunderstorm
see that
above
again
would be
gold
good,
is,
but it makes sense.
creating bullish momentum.
Alright, we're having a
from
nice
this level.
push here at the
So
moment.
there was on the 5
10
minutes
minutes
and
till this
15
candle
minutes time frame,
closes.
gold
It's quite a while,
creating-
10 minutes.
Gold is creating a
I
bullish
don't like that there's
momentum.
no pullbacks on the 1 hour. That's something that makes me uncomfortable. But yeah, I think it's best to wait for this 30-minute close here in 9 minutes, which will be the
So from
15th, to
1
guarantee
hour,
that we can
see
close
that
above
there is
this zone.
candle is a
Let's say we
bullish
close
candle
above
on gold.
185. What is our stop?
This
Yeah,
1 hour
14 pip
candle,
stop.
which is closing
This is a
in
watch zone
bullish
here,
angle for here.
and then
Still 9
TP
minutes
around
remaining.
19 pips max TP.
This sharply bullish market. Okay, so we need to find an entry on the right
How much do you risk per
place
trade,
according
percent
to
wise or
our
monetary
strategies.
wise? Spread the love. Let's do the YouTube business. It's free. Appreciate you, man. Didn't you save the TS stream journal? Yeah, I did save the TS stream journal. It's right here. It's all good. It is saved. If you guys want access to that, then what zone? What?
Okay, so for the day, if you look at the daily, we see that the price already in the daily resistance level. This is the daily high.
Took my advice and you're trading only what
which is
the
very important
candlesticks
level
are
of
doing. Sent
resistance.
analysis on Discord.
And
Nice, I'll have
I
a
would
look at it.
wait for the price to come down.
It's your plan on GJ. Let's have a look.
To give us an entry opportunity from this level for this potential move
Enter
towards
break
upside.
of the zone. Yeah,
Right,
basically.
let's see.
Break of
four
high, I
hour
don't
also
like. You
closing,
need to
which
close
is
above.
also
Yeah, you need to
a
close
bullish
above,
price
man. You
action.
need
There is a
to close
probability
above.
for
Break of
gold
high
to
is just
break
not
to the
enough.
upside as AUD news
We have a
coming
close
later
here
today.
soon.
So
But
gold
this
gonna
is
be
fine.
very
And this is a
volatile.
watch
This
zone.
1 hour
No need to
candle,
go
which
break
is
even. It's
a
only 4
bullish
pips.
candle.
Okay, fine.
30 minutes also
Yep.
showing potentially
But this we
bullish.
just watch, right? Don't need to force break even here. It's only 4 pips. High chance it will come to your break even. High chance. A lot of people asking for Euro USD. We could have a look at Euro USD.
let me see how it goes. As soon as you will find an entry, we'll be looking to enter. Thank you for that.
I'll let this load up. While
Finding,
this is loading, I will
profitable
have a look at
strategy is
Euro
easy.
USD.
Executing
Start on
and
the,
follow
let me
the
just see
strategy
what the
is
weekly is
the
doing here.
challenging.
So weekly closed bearish
This is
here.
a very good statement.
Looks like
Let's
wants
see.
to drive down still. If this could flip, yeah. So if the daily creates resistance here, I think we could see some more downside.
Let me see,
At the moment, current day, previous daily is bullish. Previous 4 hour is kind of
finding-
doji at the
okay.
moment, so not really the best positioning.
Finding a profitable strategy, easy
So
executing
looking
and
at the lower
follow
time
the
frames,
strategy
I
is
think
the
your best
challenging
options
and
for
facing
today,
and,
I think you could look
my
to sell
trend
when price
psychology
closes
is,
back in the range. So closes below
bearish.
1.81063
Okay,
makes sense
very
for
good
sells.
point.
Until
We'll be
we get
discussing on
below
that. I
there,
think that everyone
buys
is
make
in
sense.
almost
So
nearly the
support
same
creation to
journey.
buy
I'll
up
discuss the
to
looks
these
like
highs here,
5
or
minutes
buys
gold
above the highs
candle,
start to make sense.
comment
Pretty simple
on
plan.
when candles on the right equal 5. Looking
Not
at
that
the
one.
5
Where did you
minutes
send your
gold,
analysis,
can
man?
you comment on
This is not your
when
analysis.
2 candles on the right
There's
equal-
nothing in private. Yeah, it is that one.
Okay,
Possible
so
to
do
buy
you
here
mean
if
these two
retest. No, you
candles,
just
okay?
wait for the close above. This is a 4-hour time frame. We're trading a 15 minute, so
Okay, very
it's
good.
not relevant,
See, this is what
right? And
Mark
this is
was
not
saying
relevant.
that-
This is
so
too
you
far
mean
for
that
price to come
on
back
the
down here.
5
Stop
minute
planning
chart,
what's
2
so far
candle
ahead
on the
and
right,
focus on planning what's in
right,
front of
these
you
2
right now.
candles
What is your next chance to get into price right now?
is
That's what
right
you should be
equal to
looking
the
at,
5
not trying to
candles
plan
or more
what price will
on
do
the
if it
left.
gets here, because
Alright,
you're
so
you're
this
gonna
is
miss
what-
all the
this is
trades that are
why-
gonna come in here. You're
this
gonna
is
miss
what
all the
we
trades
need
that are
to
here
understand
waiting
as
for
a
price to come
action,
here.
okay? Price
So a
action
4 hours
trader.
good to analyze,
So what
but
does that
it's not going to
mean
give you
is
much
that let's say
information
if
on
you
how to
look
enter.
at
So you want to be doing this type
these
of
2
analysis on the
candles,
15.
all right, here
Here's that pullback.
these
This is why
2
we wait for
candle
closures.
are bullish candle, right? These 2 are bullish candle, and here
Did
5
you learn from
candles
Raja?
more
No. Raja
is
trades
equal to
price
these 2
action. I
candles.
trade price
It
action.
means that
At the end of the day,
the
you're going to have
bulls are
similarities.
very, very strong.
It's
And
like when
by
you go to the
understanding
gym and
this, you
someone's
know
doing a
that
bench press and
which
you're doing
way
a
to
bench press.
trade
It's going to be
in
pretty
this
similar. Does
market.
it mean
This
you're
is
copying
where
the guy? No,
knowing,
does not mean.
you know, which way to trade. Now you can
4
see
hour
that
for
here,
support and resistance, 15 minute
this
for
is a
entries. Yeah,
bullish
4 hour
candle
support.
and also bullish
Daily,
candle,
4
right?
hour,
Back to
1
back,
hour, you're
2
finding all your zones
bullish
and stuff
candles.
like that.
And what you see here in that zone is that all those candles here
Do you use volume indicator? No, I
basically
use time as my
narrower.
volume
So
indicator.
that when it comes to the seller's turn, which is bearish, when it comes to the buyer's turn, which is bullish. Now in that,
Not sure why 185
zone,
is based from the resistance on the
try to
chart.
understand
185
that
is a key
what
level, just a
happened,
psychological
who is in
level. We
control
notice that
in the
GJ
market.
tends to
See,
respect these
the
psychological levels,
mistakes that
so we
happened
keep them on the chart
when
and use them
some trader
as
trade or
as
when in the
watch
beginning
zones. And you
with
can see
everyone
normally
is
they
that
line up with some form of
looking
resistance
to
or
see
support.
that,
If you go back and see.
an individual candle to its according to its definition.
What are the times volume starts
So
to
what do
come
I
in?
mean by
Basically
this?
now
For example, if I
until
look at
about
this chart,
2 hours,
you
1
can
hour
look
and a
at
half
it
post
many
London.
ways. So if you see that this is a hanging man, right? This 5 minutes candle is a hanging man.
Which
Now,
currency
you could
pair is
think
most
of,
profitable?
okay,
The one you
I'm
concentrate the
on a
most on
chart,
will
I
be the
saw
most
a
profitable.
hanging
If you
man.
trade price
Now
action,
I'm
you can
gonna
trade anything.
Sell this
You can trade
market,
Bitcoin, Euro JPY,
but if you
you can
look
trade
at
gold,
the
you can
overall
trade whatever
picture,
you want to trade.
what you see that
But
in fact in this
you need
market,
you need to understand the
buyers
pair. So
are
whatever
in
pair you want to
control.
trade, whaver
Or
pair
even
fits your
after
session,
looking at
I would recommend
these
trading a pair
2
that other people
candles,
trade so you can compare your analysis.
now once
Do you have a video
this
about
doji
fake
has
outs? I do
formed,
have a video
there will
about
be a
fake
lot
outs.
of
By the way,
traders
guys,
might
have
be
you watched the
interested
most
to
recent
sell
video?
here.
You
Why?
guys have to
Because
watch the most recent video.
a movement,
It's super good, these 2 points. Very
hanging
clean,
man,
simple
alright?
video, only
So
12-minute video.
definition will
And
really will
This
confuse
is something you
because
guys
if
have to
you
change in your
sell
trading
a
to see
hanging
good
man
success
here,
in it,
alright,
and make sure
in
that you
zone,
change these 2
then
points.
that's a
It will help you a
mistake
lot, and it took
because
me a year to find out these 2 points. But
how many
for the fake out video,
candles
there is a fake out.
equivalent to this 2 candle? That means that
I wonder
in
what
this
I named
10
it, though.
minutes, more volume
I
came
think it's an old video.
than in the past almost more than an hour, right?
A good one that talks about fake outs
Or
is
almost
the
nearly an hour. So that means
Should be one
whenever
here.
it turns to the bulls
Yeah, rejection wick
control
versus
or
wick
bull
fills. This is
start,
kind of talking about fake
the
outs.
buyers are interested
And
to buy
then
this market. And as a result, we
where
saw
else
that
are
the
we?
market started to rise up. And in that market, we will be only
Yeah, maybe I
looking
make
to
a separate video
buy.
how to avoid
This
fake
is
outs
the
in price
key
action.
points here. When
Let's
you
note
see
that
this
down.
kind
Let's
of
note
market,
that down.
we'll
How
be
to
looking
avoid
to buy.
fake outs in price
And we
action.
saw that in fact the market
Or how I avoid
is
fake outs in price
it's a bull
action.
market.
Yeah,
and
that's
we
key.
need to see other
Yeah, I'll
concepts.
do
This
that.
is the
I'll make a video on that.
primary
That's a good point.
indicator of price action where
This breakout
we'll be
video
looking to
explains a bit
buy
about the
only
fake outs,
in
but
this
maybe I
market.
make a
now you
separate
can see
video.
this 1 hour chart.
Make
As
that
there is
clear.
a news coming up later today, we see that the market is bullish as AUD news coming. We could see that gold is
You make your own thumbnails? No,
maintaining
I
this
don't edit
bullish
my own
structure.
videos and I don't make my own thumbnails. I pay someone to do that for me.
see where we can find an entry.
Just a quick question. Why does gold go in a range for 3 years unlike currency pairs like GJ that's long-term bullish? Gold is not in a range for 3 years, man. You already did one? Where is the video? I don't know where. I can't find that video that I did one about the fake outs. I'm sure I did one. That's why I remember. And it's like,
Alright, so always trading with the trend is the wisest decision you'll ever make. So because you see that this is the
I
resistance
should probably just make
here,
a fresh one anyways.
and the price, this
Would
is
be
the
good.
1 hour chart. The price is maintaining series of higher high and higher low, and highly likely that we could see the market is maintaining this bullish structure.
here
There
is
is
that one
weakness
more.
candle with a gap opening.
It's a short, but it's not
Very
saying
highly
how or why.
likely
Oh
that we
yeah,
could
it's in a
see that
short.
this
Yeah, you're
market
right. I
is
did do it in a short.
heading towards the upside.
How much spread in GJ? GJ, I have 1 pip spread. 1 pip spread, guys. Congrats, 23. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone supporting the channel. Appreciate everyone here on the stream this morning. Nice to have you guys. Hopefully, we can get some nice volume on GJ to take some upside trades. Let's show our support with a like, dedication, and discipline. We all show up for the team, guys. We're all
So
showing
1 hour
up here.
close,
Bull
we
market.
I'm
see
grateful
that
for all
there
of
is
you
a
guys
number
also
one,
showing up,
New
so I
Zealand,
put in the
FMA
effort.
regulated.
And yeah, I appreciate
price
all the
action is
support.
bullish.
So yeah, 30 minute close bearish here, 15-minute close bearish. Which is fine. It's nice to see a 1 hour pullback.
Right,
Any
so let's
support
see,
created, we
being
can still
patient
take
is
this
the
to the
key.
upside. This is setting
I
up.
think
It's
that
just we have
you
to
see
wait
this
for
is
it.
a liquidity zone here.
This is
We
setting
might
up.
see the prices respect
Your account
this
is roll
level
spread?
going
Yes,
up,
exactly.
or we could see the prices breaking that low and then
Why is your 4 hour support
moving
above 4
up
hour resistance?
again
This was an old
towards
support.
its
I just haven't
direction.
changed the name.
This is the direction of the market currently. Is in
Thank
an
you, thank
uptrend,
you.
So we will be only looking to buy this market. 30 minutes.
If you guys haven't, if you're guys new to the
bullish
channel, be
candle.
sure to leave a subscribe so you can join for future streams and benefit from all the content we have. Can you update the resistance and support lines on your chart? They're updated. These are all the best lines. This is your previous 4 hour support. That is now still support because it was your previous support. This is 4 hour resistance. This is your next 15. They're all updated, man.
So we see that there is a the market is very strongly bullish, and
184.89.
let's look at the AUD USD to see in fact
Yeah, I have it
how
right here.
it is evolving. Now from AUD USD
This line here.
perspective also we see that this is a bull market. Okay, now there is
89
a
is
bullish
not too
candle
important because
in
we
this
closed
previous
above it
session,
now.
Any
You see, we
time
closed above it, so
AUD
it's not too
coming down
important.
to
This is also not too
liquidity
important,
zone,
but
there is a doji. You
I
can
mean,
see
you
this
could
is the
mark it, but
previous
let's see the
resistance, starting
relevance.
support. From
Yeah,
the
I
daily
mean,
also we see that
you could also
AUD
mark it
is
like this.
forming double bottom.
Let's see. But you know,
All right.
yeah, maybe
And
closing
with
above there.
that
You're actually
double
right.
bottom formation on
Yeah, you have a
AUD,
point.
we
It is a
can
watch
see
zone
that
for
this
sure.
market currently trying to create an upside momentum. Now, if USD pairs getting reversed, then we might see that AUD USD also.
We could just watch it. I
like
just
all
don't want to make the
instrument,
charts too
we
much,
could
but
see that
maybe
potential
something
reversal
closing
to the
above here
upside.
would be better to take
As
buys
previous
instead of
weekly
closing
candle is
above
a
this
doji,
4-hour support.
and from that zone we see that AUD
But this,
USD
they're both
trying
the
to
same. They're
break
both the
upside.
same
This is
range. That's why I didn't really care.
Quite a few weeks of drop.
But we can keep it on.
Expect, what I think that as there is a
We know where it
monthly
is.
close
It's right
coming,
here
we
at this
could see that
resistance.
AUD
This would
USD
be a
going
watch
up to
zone
test
anyways.
this previous support.
Any important
of
news
this
today? As
neck
far as
line
I
of
know,
this double
we're pretty
top.
clean. We have a bit of
Breakdown. We can
what's this
expect
USD
is
news
for
later
the
on,
highs
but
to
that's not
test
till
this
after
support
New York
as
Open.
a
Otherwise, pretty
resistance,
clean here. Pretty clean.
and we might see that the pricing and coming back down from here. So from
Euro
that
news tomorrow.
lower time frame
ADP
perspective,
on
we
Wednesday.
can expect potential upside on AUD USD. Now AUD USD is very important
Yeah,
candle,
for GBP we're clean
instrument
this
today
week.
to look at as news coming. And for me, I think that AUD USD might spike down to this 20 MA or even
50K and 25K.
It is an upside momentum on this. So with that said, on gold as well, gold 4-hour form in the same way. This is a bullish candle, bullish middleman, and here
How is there no spam emoji?
from
I think
15
Nightbot
minutes,
regulates that.
the market showing potential bullish price action.
Look at your GU chart. Yeah, if Discord will stop lagging, I could look at stuff, but it's lagging like hell. GBP great butt pain. Facts.
From 1 hour, we see that the market has
Yeah,
tested
Discord
this
is really
level,
lagging today.
and
Clicking on it, nothing's happening.
so
This is nice to see.
here from 30 minutes as well.
That
there
is
a
not nice, the
middleman,
30-minute resistance here.
is
This is more
potentially
important. This
bullish
30-minute
price action.
resistance.
So we need to find that entry
It's a
point
very important
here
zone here.
on gold.
You don't want to
for
be
this
buying into
potential
that.
upside. All right, so it is potentially now forming this inverted head and shoulder. Any kind of break
Night
for
pop
this
the bomb.
liquidity gap, we can look for
Hi, can we trade at
buying opportunity on
0.001?
AUD,
If
on-
you
on
need to
gold.
trade at
Which
0.001, you
is
should quit
showing
trading
bullish.
because you can't. If you can't afford 1
The price
cent,
action is bullish. Okay, guys,
it's gonna be tough for you to learn a skill, man. I'm sorry. You need to probably get a job and work and have something that brings in income so that you can afford at least $1 to risk $1. Or just practice on demo. No need to put any money.
Listening to you,
You know, but
since
if you
following
can't
you,
afford a
I
cent, then
see
it's
price
a big
action
problem.
and trade more effectively. Thank you, Arna.
Yeah, I think
This
it
is
closed
a
above
very
this
good,
30-minute here.
Very good approach from you. That's very good.
Very good reaction though.
Good to hear that you made some profit. This is what actually I really dream of. That every
We'll see what it does at this
subscriber, every
30-minute
trader
resistance.
who are here can make money, can learn and grow as
Just
a trader.
glitched. Oh, there
So
it
this
is.
is what the learning
Buy above here if we close. What pairs is
attitude
GU?
is that
Yeah, I think you
you
need
know,
to be
when
above
you
this resistance, not the
learn
current
something, you
resistance. This
practice it at the
resistance here.
same time
I don't think this range is
with
enough.
proper risk management.
Measure the
See,
range.
there
If
is a
it's enough,
saying
then
that,
it's okay.
taking
It's also the
risk
1 hour.
is not
Yeah, it is also
heroic,
the 1 hour.
but at the same time,
That's why it's important.
not taking risk also is not heroic. The heroic
For learning, you
approach
can.
is
No, but brokers don't
always,
offer 0.001. They only
you need to take
offer
risk, and at the
0.01.
same time, you need to learn to manage that risk. Okay, so this is why not taking risk
From
means
third
that you
world
are
country,
not,
bro, 0.001 is what.
allowing
But bro,
yourself to grow,
0.001
because
is not
without
even
taking
risking a
risk,
cent.
in fact, no one can grow.
0.01
Anything
is
you
a
do,
dollar for
you
10
need
pips.
risk. Even in trading, you need risk.
You know,
In any business, you need
0.001
risk.
is
only
too.
even if you are doing a job,
It's like
still you need risk.
just
Okay?
trade
You
demo.
need to
Like
take
there's no
risk
point of
to
trading live.
get
It's
to the
like
next
even
level,
if you
get
make
to the
money on
next
that,
level, alright?
you will
So
make only
it's a risk
0.1.
game.
Like you're not gonna be able to do
But
much with that.
you need to learn
Like
the
just
risk
trade demo.
management,
If you're not, if
alright?
you
This
can't
is the
afford
key
0.
point. This is where the difference between
If you can't afford
a successful
zero
and not
zero
successful.
zero
So
one,
this is
if
very
you can't
important
afford
that anything you
0.01,
do,
then
you
just
do the
trade
risk
demo.
management.
That's
Very
my
good,
point.
Karna. I appreciate that. And
0.01 is something. Yeah,
that's
it's
a very
something.
good
It's not nothing.
approach that keep doing it.
But
Keep
my
learning,
what I'm
keep
saying is, if
growing,
you can't afford
and
0.01, you
Karna
might
is
as well
our
just
also in
trade
our
demo.
academy. So if you
know,
if you
because it's
want
not
to
gonna
be part
change
of our
anything for
academy,
you.
you can join us today. The link below this video, the first link in the description area, you can join us to learn and grow as a trader. The link you can find first link. I'll recommend you to join so that you can
0.01 is a
learn and
dollar.
grow
If
as
a
a
dollar is
trader.
something in
So
your
let's
country,
see,
I'm sure it can buy stuff
on
in your
gold
country
now
a dollar.
what it is doing.
If you
Now
win a
here we can
0.01
see
trade,
that
you
the
make a dollar.
market
I know to some
from that
people that
level
is going, you know, a dollar you can
is
buy you
basically
something. But
preparing for
0.001
this
is not going to do anything.
upside.
You know, that's useless.
This is the 1 hour.
Yeah, exactly.
So 4 hours is
0.001, just go get a
So
job. You're
I
not.
was just
Remember,
comparing
guys.
gold
You
No,
know,
and
if
to
you
be
think
honest,
that
this
you're
month,
going to become rich
in
by
the
according to my-
popping
direction, we
0.01,
see that AUD
you have it
gold.
wrong.
Now
You're not going to make any money
the
popping
way it has
0.01s.
gold
That's
on the
simply
4
just
hour,
for
the
fun and
candle
for
open, you
practice.
see there's a gap
Be
opening
realistic.
little bit, and this candle on gold, which is a middleman, all right, so which is a bullish.
If you want to
transition.
learn the skill, use whatever lot size you want. Lot size is irrelevant.
this
It's
middleman,
about learning the skill. Because
we can
same people can take the same
expect
trade.
for the
Some guy
price
can
to
pop a
break
30 lot and the guy
the
can pop a
upside.
1
The
lot.
price is approaching
Doesn't
the
mean that he's a
daily
better trader. It
resistance
just
here,
means he can risk more.
which is a very
It's the only
important level.
difference. Right?
And I
And
think
that's the
that with
biggest
the
reason
daily
why,
resistance,
if
we
you
can
notice
expect for the
online,
price
people just show
to
profits,
move
profits, profits,
to be
profits are not
higher
relevant.
high. So
The
let's
trade
see
is what's
how
relevant,
it
because
goes.
profits
As
is
soon as
just
you find an
indicative of
entry,
how much that person
we'll be
risked.
looking to
Because if
enter
that person is
in the
showing
right moment.
that
Thank
they're
you very
making
much.
$3,000, $4,000,
morning, sir.
$5,000
Dollar
a
yen.
trade, but they're happy to risk $20,000, you know, at the end of the day, that just shows their financial situation that, you know, they're comfortable risking high amounts of risk to take that type of profits.
Psychology.
But what's
for
important is the
trading.
trade, right? That's what's important.
That I will say that look, very good practice that you are doing to develop the trading psychology. In terms of books,
I started with
create a
€100,
list
but I'm
next,
70 euro, but
session. I'll
learning.
give you
Yeah,
guys
exactly.
quite a
I
few
mean, you
books
can just do
available.
that for learning purposes.
But also at the same time, to develop trading psychology, I will recommend you to see the successful trading habits. Okay, this is a very important.
I think trading.
So
I
if
think
you
trading
search
less.
on
I think
successful
trading penny
habits,
lots
that will
is
help
not
you to
healthy, because
understand,
it's gonna be you're gonna get so comfortable with trading
habits
penny
of a
lots that when
successful
you go to
trader,
push up
then you will
your lot
understand
size, you're gonna
what
struggle to
makes
do it. You know,
a
I
trader
never
with,
traded lower than a half
good
lot,
trading psychology. So basically, it's
and
it's
I
all
notice a
about
trend that
you
people who
mostly,
trade with small
right?
lot
And,
size, they struggle
very good
later to
approach
push
that
the lot
you
size
are
up.
thinking to
Because what ends
develop
up happening is that they just get comfortable, because
I'll
it's a
create a
big
list
journey. Imagine
next
going from a
live session will give you
0.01
everyone
to a 1
what
lot.
books
That's a
is
huge
good for
jump.
you
But then
to
a 1 lot is
develop
not really a
trading
huge
psychology.
jump from a 0.1. You know what I
You
mean?
can
You
watch
see the difference?
videos
Or
as
it's
well.
not a huge jump
Right,
from
we
a
do
0.5.
have
That's
also,
nothing from a
a
0.5.
clear
So there's a big difference.
explanation, quite a few lessons on trading psychology. If you're our member, you can access all of them, or you can outsource. There is a lot of free content also available on the channel.
I wonder if a
the
15-minute
YouTube as
closing
well.
above this
You can find
30-minute
anywhere. So make
resistance
sure
is
you
enough to
like
give us
and
the push.
subscribe to the channel, and you can see the playlist on
Problem is
trading
this, never
psychology.
mind.
I'll recommend you to
Alright,
watch
just
all
do
of
that.
them.
Just
You
be
will have
super
a
weird
clear
like
idea.
this.
Those trading psychology content that is in our channel as well is
No,
is the
doing
trading
martingale
psychology
strategy is stupid.
based on the institutional trader approach. So you can look at that. That will help you.
Harry,
also
even from a
to grow as a trader.
0.01 to 0.02 is kind
Thank
of a
you very
huge
much.
leap. Well, that's what
Gonna,
I'm saying, is that you should just, if you can practice having bigger lot size, then it won't feel like a huge leap, because you're used to bigger risk. That's what I'm saying. So you'll be able to excel faster.
Thank you for that. So please check NASDAQ. Yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Can you check dollar yen? Yeah, we'll be looking at that.
So
Euro
talking
dollar
to GJ, yeah, you have
US
to talk to
100.
GJ.
My
Reason
balance
with it.
is very
I
straight.
told you,
Okay,
GJ,
we'll be
this
looking
is
at the
Nightbot
gold
has the
from divergence.
This is
Okay.
Nightbot's description of GJ.
Could you please
No,
maybe-
Nightbot has it down.
Yeah, we'll be looking to that as well. So yeah, so let's see where is the next
0.10 is a
opportunity
good
before
place
I
to
go
start
the
for
next
sure.
step. Guys, make sure that you like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and also if
That's
you
actually
want
where
to
you can actually you can make money with
join a
0.10.
regulated broker, if you are trading, that I will recommend you to join with a regulated broker that you can trust. And our recommended broker is EverTrade. EverTrade.
What are you
link
looking
below
for? I'm
this
waiting for a
video.
candle to close here.
You can find
Maybe
on
this
the
15
description.
close above and
Also, I
then
can give
something
you,
like the
link
5
in
minutes
detail
showing
on
me
the
it's
live chat.
respecting.
So you
If
can
not,
see
then
that
just above 185 will
EverTrade
be
link
also fine.
even on the live chat. You can click that link and then you can register for free.
How are
And
you
then
doing, sir?
can
Fine,
put the
thank you.
bonus code.
You
if
well?
you're in an eligible country, you can get that bonus as well. I would recommend you to.
And I did
join
not add
today
everybody.
So that, you
Good
can
morning
trade
to everybody who
with
has
the
joined the
broker. For
session.
those who already
Look
joined,
at that, the
I would recommend
lobby.
you
I
to start
freaking
with
love you.
A minimum capital. Maybe with you can trade with even $100 account. And I would
Best
just
lot size
recommend
for
to
5K
start
account,
with a
depends what
smaller
your
The
average
account
lobby,
stop
we
loss
should
in the
really
beginning until you
100%,
grow
but I
as a
want to
trader.
get done ASAP. I
You
need to
can
fix
do
my
that,
audio so I could
the
possibly
link
start
below
just
this
starting my
video and also
my
even in the
private zooms
description
and have
below.
everybody who's in the
So let's
VIP.
see now on
For example,
some of the
like you on
pairs
live
that,
stream with me, it would help
in
me hella
Nasdaq,
be able to
euro
fucking
dollar,
talk to you back and
and
forth
again
during
we'll
these
come back
live
to
streams.
gold.
You
So
up
looking
late
at
though, boy? Are you
Nasdaq
getting ready to go to sleep and then wake up later? Or are you gonna be up the whole
bigger
night?
Picture. This is a, you see, after yesterday's quite a few dodges here. Nasdaq had a bounce. After this bullish candle, the price has come down below this level. This is a pure liquidity graph. If you are not sure about the liquidity graph, let me know in the live chat. This is a very important concept, liquidity.
What it do, Rain?
calculate
How's
lot
everything?
size
What
for
happened
market.
yesterday?
There are
Yesterday there was no
three
stream, brother. What are you looking
fundamental
for? What
I
am I
watched
looking
daily
for right now?
bias vid, so
Currently,
today bias is
market
bias. Yes,
structure,
correct. Nice.
liquidity and price action.
is correct.
So liquidity is basically when the market go to a zone where there is a high level of buyers and sellers, is where is the liquidity zone, and there is a way you can understand it where is the liquidity. And this is why, you know, I explain every single day a lot of content that I'm posting on
Best lot size
liquidity.
for just
So,
risk
I'll
1 to
also,
3%. You know,
explain
you'll
in
be
this
fine
live session
risking
as
1
well
to
if you are
3%.
not sure about that. So
1 to
most of my
3% is
trading
always safe.
strategy that I use considers liquidity, because liquidity is a driving force of the market. So looking
Close
at
on a 15
now
isn't
on
enough. I don't
Nasdaq,
like the
what
wicks
we
is
see that
rejecting this.
here, after
No, I
this
really, and now it's,
long
if it closes
candle, this
below
is a
the 30,
bullish
then
candle,
definitely it's
the
a
price
problem.
has crossed this low, and we saw that the
You
price
know,
has
but I
come
don't like
to
all of these rejection
an
wicks. Like that's
extreme
closing now below that
liquidity
30 minute.
zone. If you
Doesn't look the
understand
best,
how the
right?
market moves here,
So probably
it
we
will
need
be
this
much
30 minute close
easier
above
for
and
you
then
to
breaking
make
the high.
your trading decision. That's why this weekend as well I will be posting what is this extreme liquidity zone, because in this live session sometime everything because we focus on trading, it's not possible to explain everything, so make sure you stay connected.
Do you think this could be a 1
And
hour
also,
flip bearish, 1 hour
see
again?
everything in the channel
Uh,
plan. So you see that here
Yeah, it's
the
possible.
price
Definitely.
creating
Until the
series of
1 hour
higher
candle
low,
does not,
right?
if
So
1 hour
at the
candle does
same
not close
time,
above
every
here,
time
yeah,
the
for
price
sure.
coming to the 50% of
You
the
know?
previous candles long week.
Hey
we
man,
will
is your
see that
group
the
closed? I
price
tried
getting
joining it.
rejected.
Yes,
Finally,
group is
what
closed.
you saw that
We'll be
here
reopening.
on,
The
the
spots
price
filled up.
crossed this
And
candle's
yeah, we'll be
low,
reopening next
and
month.
gathered
So if you guys are
liquidity,
planning on joining,
and then we saw
you'll
a
have to
bounce.
wait
So
till
this
next
is a
month. I just do this
sign
to
of
keep it
potential
controlled, make sure that
upside
everyone in the
movement
group
as
is
the price
happy,
already
and then we look to open
gathered
new spots
liquidity
just to make
in
sure
that
everything
area.
is
Now,
manageable and
what we can expect
quality
on
stays
Nasdaq
high,
is
because
to
that's the
break
focus. So
again,
yes, spots is
especially
closed
below
for this
low
month,
where there is a 20
and
EMA,
yeah, we'll be opening
and
less
from
spots
that
next
zone
month,
to give us
and I'm deciding on the
an
number
clear
at the moment.
opportunity. So this is where the
So
market
yeah, I'll let you
structure
know.
is
I did
bullish
put it
here
on my website. Let's have a look.
Nasdaq. I think that the
I
market
did put
is
it when
likely
it's
to
this
move
doesn't
up
work. This is,
to
needs to
this
refresh. I did change this.
resistance.
Just let
As
this
we see
reload.
that there is already a
Once it
movement.
reloads, it should
Prices
tell
come
you
down well
when.
below, and there is a gap
There we
opening.
go. Yeah,
We can
spots
expect
opening on the
Nasdaq
4th,
to
so
remain
not
bullish
even the beginning
to
of the
this
month.
level,
So
or even
a couple
to
of
create
weeks
new
or a week and a
higher
bit,
highs. So
and then
Nasdaq
spots will open.
is potentially bullish, and we'll be
You
looking
guys will
to
have to wait
enter
till
high
then if you're
position
planning to join.
from here as soon as you will find that
And yeah.
entry opportunity.
Drop a like, guys.
Alright,
Let's
guys,
make
so
it
when
300.
you
Yeah, if
enjoy
you're
it, make
enjoying
sure
the
you
stream,
like
leave a
the
like.
stream,
500 of
the
us in here,
stream
200
on
likes.
the
Guys, a bit
screen,
tired
the
today.
stream, and also
We need the likes
subscribe
for
to the channel if you haven't
we need
done
the likes
yet.
for
Any
the
question, don't
liquidity on the
hesitate to
charts, which we
ask
seem
me
we're
in the
getting
live
some form of,
chat
which is
as
nice
well.
to
So
see.
let's see on dollar yen what kind of trading opportunity
Your
can
win
we
rate
have
is
in dollar
impressive.
yen.
When did you start your live stream? That win rate was started around almost 4 months ago, I
Euro
believe now,
USD,
3-4 months
dollar
ago.
yen, 4 hour. Yep. Thank you. Seems it will grab liquidity.
You go so
now
fast with the
big
plan. Got
liquidity.
to slow down for us,
Yes,
bro.
let's see.
I got to rewind.
Does those
Well,
long
that's why
bid
you have to
towards the
rewind.
downside
Is it on Telegram? No. All
us
information about the group is
in
on.
gold?
Watch the video here, and it will
Does
tell you.
this
It's more than.
long
It's not a Telegram
towards the
group. It's
downside?
they have Zoom chats. We
tells
have live
us
calls. Today we're gonna live stream
So
in the
very
group
good question.
New York
We'll be
session.
discussing that.
It's a
Long
whole
week,
Discord server, right?
what
It's a
does
whole
that mean
Discord server,
on gold on the 5
and
minutes time frame that you're talking
and yeah,
about.
definitely check
We'll
it
be
out.
discussing that. First, let's see the dollar yen, and then
You
we'll
can
be
see here.
looking at that. Let's see the dollar yen. There, here.
Someone left a
Very much.
program review. Let's have a look.
Okay, so dollar yen.
Hello,
I'll be looking
thank
at
you very
daily
much.
first of all.
How can I join? Yeah, someone also asked.
Daily, you can see the dollar
Program
yen
is
back
closed
to back
as well.
3 days of momentum.
We're
here,
looking for
and
longs.
then
Yes, I'm looking for
from that
longs.
zone previous day we saw a narrow
Can you explain how you form your daily bias? Watch the video. The video will explain
long
that.
week candle. Now from that zone we saw that today so far the price
Nice
is
review, I know, right?
down. I think that dollar yen may slowly
This is
drop
tough to get
as
in,
you
guys. This
see
is
that
tough to get in.
gold
Like
is
I need a
getting
close,
bullish,
basically. I need a
and
close.
DXY also
I don't
showing
see
bullish
even
momentum.
5 minute. There's
We
nothing
could
clear
see
on
that
5
dollar
minute
yen
until we get above
is
185. So
coming down
really, I
further.
have to wait for a close here.
There is a
If this just
probability
pushes,
for dollar
there's
yen
nothing
to
I
come
can do.
down.
I have to wait for a close,
And
but that's my
in
plan.
that case, if you look at the weekly price section on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly support level, and there is a liquidity below this level, and there is a chance for dollar yen either to remain bullish, or if it breaks, then it might
Then
even
we
come
started the
back
stream
well
journal as
below
well. You can see the stream
before
journal.
moving up
All the
again.
trades
So there is a
recorded
probability for
live
dollar
with
yen
what
still
time the trade was taken
come
and the image
down.
here.
Now, looking
And then
at
you
the
can also see
lower time
I do
frame, we
post
see
all
that
the
you
trades
see there is
in
there's a
Harry's
consolidation
trades here with the
okay?
MetaTrader
For me,
image.
I think that this is a
There
this
you
is
go.
preparing for
Right,
a
so you can
reversal.
go back and see all
how
the trades.
many sessions dollar yen was consolidating in that zone,
All there
where we
documented. Look
see
at
there
this,
is a
guys.
multiple times liquidity grab as
Losses
well.
as well.
This current candle also slowly trying
All
to
the trades
complete
we discussed, all there
consolidation. If you
documented.
look
So
1 hour, you can
for you
see
guys to
that
see
there is a
how we are trading.
consolidation. The price is forming potential reversal pattern. So anytime if we see the dollar yen has grabbed liquidity from the top, we'll look for selling. At the moment, I think that I will not be going long on dollar yen. There is a probability for this market to reverse. In that case, we could see that
You need
before
one
the
to close?
monthly
No,
close,
just a 15-minute
price
close
is
above
coming
here.
well
Strong
below
15-minute
this
close
level. Alright,
would be
even
fine
this-
as well.
If this current candle is closing
3
as a
wicks is
red
maximum.
long candle,
The fourth, if this
probably
ends up with a
for
4th wick,
selling
then I need
opportunity
something closing
on
above
dollar
the
yen.
wicks here,
Alright,
because
so
this
this one,
becomes
as
this
soon as we
becomes
see that
like a
confirmation,
rejection
we'll
zone.
look
Then I
to
don't like it.
enter. Thank you very much. Waiting here to.
Are you looking for setup one? Yes,
yeah.
that would be a setup
Let's
one.
go selling.
Forex is not for the weak.
Still
No,
bullish to
trading is
me,
not
gold
for the weak
base,
at
I'm
all.
feeling very sugar. 1927. Okay, so let's see.
Getting the
on
fake out vibes,
gold
yeah,
again
it's not gonna
to see
fake out till
where
it happens,
can
right?
find
We have
that
to trade what we
opportunity.
see,
Now
not what
can
we
see
think.
that gold after forming this middleman, the price
And
now
I'm not selling
slowly
GJ on a bullish bias.
trying
I don't
to
mind.
come
This
down.
1 hour
Now, this
candle
is
can
the
pull back
doji
all the
on
way
the
down
1
to
hour.
184 and I can take
Alright,
buys
and
later.
from that
Just
doji,
depends what
we
time it
see
comes
that
at,
the
you know?
price slowly delete all of them.
We know the plan. We know the plan. This
Now,
price
this
to
is
pull
a-
back all the way down to
currently in a
184,
bull
660.
market, right?
If
Now,
it creates
it
support,
breaks
still look
down,
for
then
buys
we'll
after
look
stream,
for
guys. You know, this is
entry,
what you
the
have to
upside we
This is
see
what you
in
have to build. You have to build the
Now, I
plan,
had a
build the
question
analysis
that
so you guys don't rely.
here again the price, the market structure
Right?
is
So you
changing.
have
see
to
this.
learn the skill
This is
here.
now
You have to
trying
learn the
to
skill, and that's what I
create
want.
a
So many
downside
times
movement.
we take a plan, we
Right,
wait
that's
on
why
stream
we
for
are
a trade,
waiting for
and it doesn't come on stream.
for
So
either
what ends
to
up
buy
happening?
or sell.
I see later everyone takes the trade
Now,
because
there
of
is
what
some
we
question
planned, and
came
that's
in.
what we need.
This long week candle
Shut
on
up.
the 5 minutes.
Okay, just leave the
What
stream,
does
man.
that
If
mean?
you left
So
the
there is
stream, then
only
you wouldn't
one
hear me. So
meaning of
that's a pretty
long
dumb
week
comment.
Is rejection. Okay, so for example, what do we mean by rejection?
Do we
Let's
make
say
a line on the new 15-minute support? Well, if you're not trading it, you don't need to draw a line.
when the price drop, what does this mean? That this is a battle between
Why didn't we
buyers
take
and
a
sellers.
entry at
When the price
180,
drops,
84,
means that
80?
the
Because
seller
there's no entry at 84, 80.
sold the market. All right, the
There's no
seller sold
confirmation.
the market, and
If
the
you want to
prices
buy
come
the
down,
lows, then buy the lows.
and immediately the buyers rejected that.
London
price, said
Sesh
that
volume
no,
comes and goes.
this is
NY
a lower
carries.
price, we're gonna
NY as
buy
well,
from
man.
there. The
NY as
price
well
started to move up.
is gonna,
So long
sometimes
week
is not consistent.
in one sense it means rejection. Now what's the benefit of knowing that rejection is that when you see multiple
Why only
long
GBP
weeks,
JPY? Because
there
if
is
you
a
concentrate
sign
on
of
one pair, you know exactly its all its
in the
characteristics,
direction of the
and
long
it's
week.
how you make money in
You see
this
that
game.
whenever this long week form, we saw the price has in fact moved. But
Right?
here
It's
it
how you
didn't
make
move, but
money
here
is
also
by
long week.
concentrating on one
The
pair and
reason is
mastering
you
it.
need to combine the long week.
You don't
with
have
the
a master who has multiple crafts.
location,
A master
or
is a
that
master at
long
his
week
crafts.
has
It's
to
the
come
same with a
from
pair.
a liquidity zone. This is why it is important, because here also buying happened, here also buying happened, but who bought is the question. This is the retail
I was
trader.
asked by a relative, what
or is the
value do I bring in
institutional
society by
trader?
doing this
So
stupid
if
job
the
that
long
locked me
week
in?
comes from a liquidity zone, that's where the institutional trader bought that market.
The open close method.
Do I know
Right,
Don
so
Vo? No, I
that
don't
you
know it
understand
personally.
it.
Nope.
Whenever you guys are opening and closing
Gold might reach 1930.
GU? Yeah, I can look at GU.
Rejecting happen after breaking. That is nice selling. Thank you very much.
So daily close
Darren.
bullish here.
Okay, so we see that
4-hour
here.
time
Let's
frame
see
at the
our
moment.
gold again. Now from the
what it's
daily
doing.
high,
Closed above the
gold
range.
is
If we could get back
coming
above
down
this range
for,
here, back into
pullback,
like,
but as you can see, as
1.26307,
there is
should
a
be good for
weakless
upside.
candle here.
Yeah,
And
any
there is
1
a
hour
chance
candle
that
closing back
gold
into this
will,
range, it should be okay for
move
upside.
up. There is a very high probability for gold to
Yeah,
break
you just
the
need to get
upside.
above the
Now,
range here. If this is enough,
the way you see there is a gap opening
4
and a
pips,
weakless
yeah, you
candle.
could try get
The
to
price
break even
may
here.
not
Otherwise, you have to look for
come
buys
to
above
test
this
level
resistance
here,
or
okay? It might
pullbacks,
respect
like a
this
fake
gap
out from here back
and the
towards the
weakless
upside
candle, and then
would
we
make
could
sense.
see that gold is moving towards the upside. So this is why this is the level that we have drawn. Now here we need to think one important aspect here is that you see there is a double bottom. Alright, it's a reversal on the 1 hour chart, leaving a neckline.
What
Here is
pair
the
did you
previous
start with before you
resistance,
settled with
turning
GJ?
support,
I started with EU and
very high probability
GU.
that gold might come down to test this previous resistance, starting support along with this 1 hour 20 EMA, and from that zone
I do
we
not
can
coach
expect
SMC.
gold to have a
I
reversal.
do
This
not
is a
coach
smart
SMC and I
money
prefer
zone here,
price
guys.
action.
This is where the smart money bought. Basically, when you see this kind of pattern breakout coming down to retest the
Morning
previous
from
resistance
Baguette land.
as a
Yeah,
support, which
baguette
is
sound good right now.
smart money
Damn, you're
area.
really hungry
So
now.
this is
I'm really
where we
hungry
see
now.
that gold
Baguette
is in
would
the
be
smart
nice.
money zone, which is the previous
Would
resistance.
enjoy that right now.
Starting support here, and from
Which
that
room
level,
is this chat going
we
on
can
Discord?
expect gold to
Which
give
chat?
us
This chat is on
potential
YouTube, brother. Come on now.
entry opportunity.
No, I'm waiting for price to come down to hit one of my levels. Where
You looking for a session scalp? I always just
Awesome, thank
scalp
you.
anyways.
And with that said, let's see.
Trading so challenging,
what
I can't
else
imagine
we
the strength
have,
needed
and
to do
we
it in
can
front of an
expect gold
audience.
now to
Appreciate you,
come
man.
down to retest this level, and as soon as we will find
Highest pip I've ever
opportunity,
achieved in one
we'll
trade
be
was 200 pips in one
looking
trade.
for an
250.
entry. I think we might
You back
see
to
some,
carbs now? Yeah, I'm back on
breakdown
carbs,
here
definitely. But
this
your
level.
appetite's like spiking huge now.
So
But
the
you have
1
to,
hour
control
20 EMA.
yourself. But, you have flexibility, like had cookies
from
and
that
stuff
we
like
can
that. Yeah,
expect
it's everything.
for
Metabolism starting to
potential
wake up again
trading
because of the
opportunity
carbs you're
in gold.
eating. You just want to eat like you don't want to
Let's
eat
see
dirty
how
foods.
it
You just
goes.
want to go crazy on like just huge bowls of rice. But this is a time where you have to control yourself.
lose all the
Otherwise, you will not have a productive growth phase because you'll just blunt your appetite. People rebound now too fast, they gain weight too fast, and then they have to diet back down and
if
then
you are
go again.
looking at
But
trading view,
you just have
you should be able
flexibility,
to
so like
see
once
that,
a week a nice big cheat meal and
right, because
have
the
a
chart
cookie
is
here and
different
there.
in different
That's what's nice.
platform.
bullish.
But if you're
Those
looking at
burgers
trading
look
view,
good,
you
yeah,
should be
bro.
able
They
to
were
see that.
damn good, man. They were damn good.
Back-to-back
I had two. They were double patty. I'm like, let me have two.
Euro, USD,
You eat baklava?
Euro,
Yeah,
USD.
bro. I'll eat
Euro,
it, bro.
USD, which is
Give it
bigger
to
on the
me
higher
when
time
I have
frame,
my
very
cheat
bullish
meals.
nonetheless.
No problem.
We have had huge rejections on it. Oh yeah, very huge rejections on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm a dessert guy, man.
Make
I'm
sure
a
guys you
dessert
join
guy.
the free Telegram channel.
But I'm a
the
burger
free
dessert
Telegram
guy. I'm a
channel
burger
link in
connoisseur.
the
I really like
description
to
area,
taste
so
good
that you
burgers.
can
Apparently,
stay
this
up
was
to
the
date.
third best burger
Let
in the
me
world.
give you the free Telegram
You're cutting?
channel on the live
No,
chat
no.
so that you can stay connected.
Rebounding.
I've given the free Telegram channel.
Biryani?
Click the link
You
and
can't
then
go
you
wrong
can
with
stay
biryani,
connected.
bro. Come on.
So
You really
let
can't
us
go wrong with
review
that. A good
quickly
biryani will
all
make you
the
happy.
pairs
Just
to
rice,
see,
man. Rice and any meat
which
is
one.
amazing.
So DXY, you can see some pickup from here. So what we see that
Bodybuilding isn't a season time thing. It has to be a lifestyle. That's why people rebound. They lose weight fast. They gain weight
Just
fast.
quickly
I
look
agree
at
with you.
to
That's
see
exactly
AUD/USD.
correct.
So AUD/USD, I'm expecting now with the news to come
Falafel,
down
yeah.
here and
Falafels are
give
good.
us an entry.
Lebanese food, damn, hits well.
CAD CHF, CAD JPY, GBP JPY. Just I'm looking at all of them. CHF.
Nothing is wrong with
JPY
snacks
as
at
well.
all.
We
Exactly,
can
yeah.
see
You
that
just
from
can't
the
binge. That's where people go
CHF
wrong. Is they
perspective.
binge after
So you see that
such
JPY
a
pairs slowly
such a harsh
down for
dieting
deeper
phase. They
control.
binge and then they have to go clean it up, and it's a whole mess. And also, your body is not ready for it. Your body is not ready.
Looking at all of them,
for it.
Euro GBP.
Are you South African living in Dubai? I'm living in Dubai, but I'm not South
So
African.
Euro JPY also we see
mean-
that some downside.
Just looking at silver, average move
This
100
could
pips some
be
reason.
pullback.
Yes. We have very nice burger shop. Yes. That sounds great, man.
Pretty little girl. That's scary. Don't say that.
Spreads are crazy.
Say things around that you're not supposed to say.
Come and visit Miami. US trip. How many people in chat are in US?
So gold, yeah, gold.
If we have, I
Nasdaq.
mean, I stream London, so I don't think a lot of people are in US.
US 30,
I'll do like a US meetup.
30 now. I love trading it at New
That would be
York
fun.
Open. I think US 30.
Okay, so we have a few
We see
people
a
in
little
here
bit
from
of
US.
choppy and
US
the news
meetup?
is coming,
Yeah.
so we might see
If
that
I come down to US,
with this
we'll have a
news,
meetup.
The price
Statement is they're a lot more
is giving
predictable
us that
when,
entry
it's a
opportunity.
lot more predictable.
Right
to
now,
anticipate
dollar yen
volumes.
Wanted to
and
combine, let's say,
Bring
it on.
these three
Alright, we'll
videos.
see.
So
All we have
most
to
of the
do
pairs
is
Okay.
click and drag them
still
down to
a
the
little
timeline.
bit in a sideway. We
Come
were
to
waiting
EU,
for the
bro?
news to be,
Yes.
released for
If I go
AUD
to Europe, I will
and
announce.
dollar. Okay,
I mean,
so you see
Europe
that
is pretty.
among all
Europe
of
is
them,
pretty
I
simple.
see potential trading opportunity mostly on USD
Because
pairs,
it's really easy to
especially
catch a
USD,
flight.
GBP USD and gold. Now looking at
Come Italy,
AUD
you are
USD,
first.
again we see that from the daily.
Yeah,
This
listen,
is
I'm
a
not traveling to meet
currently
single people.
showing
Come on, man. I'm not
potentially
going here there just to
bullish
meet
on
one
AUD
person.
USD. If you look at the weekly, we can see
You have
that
to
the
pay me.
market is approaching the weekly.
How did you make your
resistance
website? I like
from
it
the
simple,
daily.
simple, nice
Also,
website
we
layout.
see
So
that
thanks, man.
from
That's just
lower
Wix.
time frame, we can see that AUD USD
But
is in fact potentially a bullish price action. We can see that this is a
Bring the baddies. Ah,
triangular
man.
pattern
See, you
here.
want me to hook you up in trading and the baddies, man. Come on, Forex lifestyle. You know what I'm saying.
keep on going short, right? Or this is the fake out of us saying
I don't sound British. Yeah, I was
Alright,
born
now
in
we
Dubai. Dubai is
saw
a very
break to the
multinational,
upside on AUD USD on the 4 hour,
multinational
and
thingamajig
what we
country.
can
So
expect on AUD
we have
USD
mix
for
of
the
everything.
price to come down
So you
to
pick up
test
all
this
different
level,
accents.
and then
I used to
give
ride
us
dirt bikes
a
with
bullish trading opportunity
a lot
on
of South
AUD
Africans,
USD.
so it's probably why.
Alright, so
Yeah,
AUD
like a
USD and along with gold,
That's the problem.
we look for bullish opportunity as soon as you see that coming up along the way.
Send a chart, bro. Send a
So-
chart.
As the news coming, let's see the calendar to see exactly.
As the 1 hour
what is
closed
what.
bearish, then I had confirmation. I entered a short position, pull back on the 1 hour, going to exit. Alright, good luck with that, man. At least his
Look
current
at the
candle has
Forex
no bottom
factory,
wick.
we can see that
If you're trying to catch a
in this
small,
calendar.
yes sir.
So 5:40
You're trying to catch a
in
small
my
pullback,
zone, which
makes
is
sense.
exactly an hour from
TS
now.
Group annual retreat, yeah. After all the hard work, we deserve it,
Trading
right?
plan helps
there is
you,
a-
helps avoid the over
there is a
leveraging, helps avoid the revenge
News
trading,
on
helps
AUD.
Come to
and
Vegas.
11:30
Oh, yes, sir.
p.m.
having a plan when you
which is
trade
in my zone also
helps
today
you
dollar and then today also
actual
USD.
market setups into your favor.
I just joined. Welcome,
Alright,
welcome. If you
tomorrow
guys are
so very
just joining the stream,
volatile
welcome.
movement coming,
Appreciate you guys
That's
waiting
why
for
the
some
market
setups
little
right
bit in
now.
a sideway
Hopefully we
because
get something.
it's gonna
looking to
expand
smash the
very
markets
soon
today.
with the news, and
If not,
I'll
we have
be
New York,
waiting
so
to
I'm not too
enter
worried.
some quite a few
And yeah, if you're
trades
enjoying the
as
stream,
soon as I
make
will
sure
find
to
it.
leave a like.
And if you want to see all of them that
Get
I'm
the likes
opening,
up at
you
least
can
to
join us
250
today.
here. You guys are
There's a
tired
link
today.
below
Come on,
this
we're
video
back. We're
in the
streaming.
description, and
Yesterday
also you can
was
find the link at the top of the
yesterday was
chat.
bank holiday.
So you can join to see all the trade that I'm opening.
Where can you learn
access
price
all
action
the,
from beginner
tool
to
that I'm
professional?
using
Well, I don't even know if
in
I'm
Forex Trading
professional.
Wizard
I'm just a
Academy. You
retail
can see
trader.
this is
But
a
if you go to
TF
playlists on my
strategy
channel,
indicator that
learn to
helps
trade
me to
correctly. You
find
can
the trade.
go from a beginner
If
to
you
a winner.
are our member,
So
you
watch
can
this
access-
playlist
this is
here
our TF
and enjoy.
strategy
It's for free. No need to
indicator
pay
that,
for a course. You're welcome.
that is available for all the members that who are trading with us. So you can.
When do you normally do live streams?
Once you are our lifetime member, you can
You have
access
to
them. Click
subscribe,
join
then
now
you'll
button
see
on
we
the
go live
website and you
9:30
can
a.m. It will
access
notify you.
all of them. in
How
your
come people
convenience.
still
So
trade
let's
in a
see
bank
on-
holiday? Well, I'm asking
now
myself the same
I'll be
question when
looking
price
at
action looks like this. Don't know what they're doing.
some
You
of the
can,
yen pairs.
but if there's
Let
no
me know which
volume,
one
then
you're
there's no
looking at.
point of trading.
It is their first time here.
Yes, coach,
Anybody's
maybe yeah.
first time
Thank
here.
you.
Oh yeah, gold yesterday is fine to trade because it was only a UK bank holiday. So I didn't. I said you can trade New York. New York is perfectly fine.
Good morning, Loda. Thank you.
How many
very
trades
much
do you
for
normally find per
joining.
week? In summer
So-
months, it's been around 4, but normally 5 trades a week. 1 trade a day is
GBP,
normal.
And I did not write it.
Let's see the JPY pairs.
Again.
Okay, GBP JPY. In fact, it formed
Stay awake till
a bullish market structure at the moment. Okay, we see that if you look at the daily.
to go to sleep early.
BBS
From
or
this
FI
level,
firms, I don't know what that is.
You saw the GBP JPY has broken down again here on the daily and has come to this significant previous
Not in
resistance,
grade
turn support,
yet.
and from that level
Also,
we saw
guys,
the GJ
We're coming towards the end
had
of the
a
month.
bounce to the upside,
And since we're
okay?
coming towards the end of the
Now,
month, guess what?
here, on the daily,
End of
there is
the
a
month
middleman, a bullish candle
Means
followed
that I'm
by
gonna give away
a bullish candle on
a spot or
GBP
two to my
JPY. Now,
exclusive group for free.
as we see the market getting volatile,
So,
I think the GJ might remain
Be on the
bullish. It
lookout for
might
that. That'll
even
be
go
on.
back to the resistance line.
Yeah,
the
that'll
daily.
that'll
If
be
you look
on
at the
Discord.
weekly,
So make sure you
previous
guys have
week,
joined the free Discord. Link is
along
in
with
description.
candle,
Make sure you're following
as
me
soon
on
as market
Instagram so
open
you
on
know when
GBP
that
JPY,
is
you can
announced.
see that it didn't.
I think we're gonna
Even
do
it's
it.
a
Yeah, I
weakness
think we'll do it
candle.
when
So
we
this
get
is
my
a
Instagram
very
to
high
3K.
probability that GBP JPY will go
How many
ahead
we
and
at now? I
flip
think
that
we're close
long
to
week.
3K on Instagram
In all
because
of the
Instagram
JPY
lagging and I
pairs,
post
see
great
that
content
GBP
there.
JPY is
So if you haven't
currently
followed my
going
Instagram,
to
make sure
and
to
GBP
drop it a
JPY.
follow. Yeah,
Now
only
from the
only
lower
around
time frame,
200
this
something
price
followers we
action,
need,
what I
and
see,
then I'll give
see
away
every
another spot.
candle
And people who
creating
are already
series
in
of
the group
higher
can
low
apply
with
for
a
this giveaway, by the way.
strong bullish candle. Very highly likely that you will see this
Only for
market
exclusive paid
going
people?
up
Nope, for everyone.
towards its
The
long-term
everyone
direction. Now,
can
for
join.
me,
Send
this
your
is the
IG
previous
link.
resistance on GBP JPY
IG link in
turning
chat is
support.
gonna come now.
I will be waiting for a retest.
It's also
of
in
this
the
level
description.
and then to go
It's
up
also right here.
to create a higher high. So this is where I will be waiting for GBP JPY.
Have your
to give
giveaway,
us
your fake man.
an
Thank you, brother.
entry
Appreciate your comment.
opportunity.
Hope
I
that
will
helps
look
you.
for buying opportunity on GBP JPY to this level.
Fake man.
So this
How
is
much
a
I do for
high
the community.
probability
Come on,
trade
guys.
setup
Let's go.
on GJ. As soon as
I need to
will
get
find
out
it,
of bed.
I'll be looking to enter. Make sure
Can you
guys,
explain
like
what's
this
going on
stream.
with GJ? GJ is
Subscribe
going
to the
sideways.
channel
It
so
went
that
up,
you
it
are
went
not
down, it
missing
went up,
out
it went
any
down.
of the
Nothing
things that we
doing,
are releasing
not doing
every
anything here. That's why I don't want to
single
touch in this
day.
range.
And also, if
I want
you
something
to
closing
join
above
regulated broker, I
960 would be
recommend,
fine, you know, 960 above this wick
regulated
at
broker
least.
to trade with always.
Maybe even
our
185 would
recommended broker
be,
is EverTrade.
uh,
I can give you a EverTrade
would be
link in the
perfect.
description area.
Do you wear designer?
Below this video.
So
You
this is
can
a good
click the
question. I
link
don't
and then
actually
you can
wear designer, but
register
I
for
do.
free.
I wear very
You can
simple,
use
so I wear
this
high quality
this
clothes
bonus
in
code.
terms
If
of
you're in
like
an eligible
a nice
country,
pair
you
of
can get
pants,
that too.
and
For those
I
who
wear
already
like a
joined,
comfortable
you
shirt.
can start trading
And then I'll have I like timepieces,
this
so
broker
I I enjoy to have a nice timepiece on.
So every
something,
capital,
and
then
that's where what
yours
I
will
like to
be
have.
in the
It's because it's
safe
something
hand. You
that's
can
my
start
passion. I'm
trading
not
with even
into being
$100
dripped out with
or
Louis and
$1,000
Gucci. I
or
don't think
$1
that's nice. I don't
million
like to
account.
present
So
myself
they
in
are
that matter. I
regulated.
just like to be more
You
of
are in
a
the safe hand.
dress
So you
nicely
see that
with
GJ from here
a nice
in this
timepiece.
level
I think that's the
is
best way
basically
to
forming bullish structure. We will be looking
best
to
way to be
enter
presented, right?
bullish opportunity. Euro AUD, we see that some downside movement. Let me see.
I sent the rims on
others
Discord.
that
I think it looks great on a GT3 RS.
I mean, everything's bullish about this. Yeah.
CHF. So all the JPY pairs, CHF,
Yeah, you know, I have
also,
on my other car, I
you can
have
see it's coming
not these
down.
rims. I have something
For
else
me,
which
this
is
draw
based
can
off the same
give
company who made these rims, which is
potentially
Rays.
upside again, because if you look at the daily,
Smart man, and you're
like the
saving
GBP
money.
JPY,
Yeah, it's just I don't
CHF
like to be
JPY
viewed
also
with all dripped
bull
out with
market,
all of
alright?
the
It's coming
Louis
down. I
and
think
Gucci.
that
I don't like
we
it. It's
could
just for
see
me.
a retest of
Leave
the
that for
daily
the
support
rappers
or
and
even
stuff like
breaking
that.
this
That's
low
their
will
that's
give
their culture,
potential
you know.
for
But
upside
I think
on
people trying to dress like that are just
CHF
trying to
JPY. You can see
show
it's the
that they
weekly
have
support
money when
level.
actually they
The
just
bullish engulf
they
around the
need
weekly as well
validation
on
from other people, and the
CHF
way to get
So as
validated
soon as you
is to
see
wear
the CHF
these type of design. I think if
testing
you
the
look at
weekly
real
support,
wealth,
we could
real
see
wealth
that
is
the
in
market
what you have
is
in terms of
moving
your
towards the upside again. There is a
what you've done in
probability
life.
for
That's real wealth,
CHF
right?
JPY,
What's your
and
achievements?
also after
And the
it's
way you
coming
dress
down
tells
means
you
that
can
we
tell a lot
could
about the
find
man, right? You can
an
tell a lot
entry
about a person in
opportunity
the way he
for
dresses.
this
If he
potential
dresses
move.
smart,
Let me see
casual,
that
it's
how it is
comfortable.
doing
If
with
you
Euro
can look
JPY
good,
also
dress
coming
smart,
down
dress casual, wear
for a
nice clothes,
potential move
but
on
and wear a nice
Euro
timepiece, because a
JPY as
timepiece
well.
is
So
great.
JPY
Tells you how
pairs coming
valuable
down,
time is. It's an
which
investment,
can give us
and it's also, if people
potential
know, they know,
entry
right? They
opportunity
know,
for
and
all
it
of them.
will definitely
CHF JPY, let me see that it's a
it's nice like that.
pullback at the moment. All right, so
You can
When you buy your Bugatti, they'll give you a nice timepiece to go with it.
it's in a
Yeah, I would
pullback.
expect that after
Right,
paying
so
that
this is a
much.
Alright, well, GJ right
zone where you see the market is coming
Christian
down
Dior,
for a
Dior.
pullback.
Yes.
left till London Open, boys. Is anybody in any trades right now? One's in
Can
the
tell a lot about a man by looking at his shoes. Yes, where he's been, where he's came from. You know what movie says that? That's a great movie.
Let's see if we got more buyers or sellers in here. What is the trading plan for you boys? Magic
How's the
Jack
weather
and
in
Slim.
Dubai? It's really hot. You have to get
It's
used to
also
it.
the weekly opening
You have a
and
car?
closing
Yes,
zone on
indeed.
CHF JPY.
Very grateful.
Very highly likely that we could see
GJ is
this
powering its
market
engine. Well, it better power it
is
pretty much a bit harder
moving
here.
to the upside from this level.
Value goes value goes up after time. Yeah, exactly. That's why I like it, especially if you can get these timepieces from the retailer. And you can see what I wear now, just like a gray shirt. I have some shorts on. That's what I'm just chilling in.
Sheesh.
What's happening here with my Instagram?
Goddamn chimney in here.
Oh, really?
About gold, sir. I'm very bullish on gold. I'll be looking at gold buys around this little block area that I wrote.
Okay, I'll fix
So
that.
Forex, I was
My Instagram, I
33,
think, is just trade shop. This is my Instagram link.
And let me see
33,
what all the JPY
Yeah, this is where I'm looking.
pairs we see this is coming down for a deeper.
What's my favorite timepiece? In terms of company, I think I like the brand AP is the best, in my opinion.
It's my buy zone.
4 hour
This is my
coming
major
down.
buy zone. But across all the board, boys, we gotta be patient.
Yeah, exactly. How a person can handle themselves, what's appropriate for the... Yeah, it's mostly... It's how you present yourself in general, you know? It's all about
SMAs act as
presenting yourself in general.
Look at the picture here. This right here is like a resistance. This
Sell after the next candle. I don't think selling GJ is the best option at the moment.
and therefore right now we are in a range trading between these two SMAs.
Nice work, man.
Tricky. It's very, very tricky. Looking at the daily candlestick chart, we are rejecting
Royal Oak, yeah, very clean. I think it's a great piece, timeless piece, great history.
indicators are strong.
And yeah, time is a very valuable thing, and you should remind yourself of how valuable it is. And that's why I prefer to wear normal clothes, but then you can have a piece like that. Like, how good would it be
Says that this is bearish,
to get that from a retailer, work for it, and have it, and it holds value? You know, I think it's a better investment than something like gold that can fluctuate. Like, immediate, they basically give you free money. So it's a great thing. It's a great thing.
chart, right? Let's go right here and put
But I think what's disgusting is the people who do it for flex purposes. Like,
Okay, hope
don't
that you
just
can
buy
see
it
me
and
now.
be like, oh, flexing. That's exactly it, Matt. That's exactly it. Normal clothes, you don't need fancy clothes. You just need comfortable clothes. Nice pair of shoes. Shoes is important. You know,
And let's lock this.
and that's it.
So here, what do you see that on
You should buy a
CGJP
Cuban
on
link.
this
I'm not
screen to
into
see
diamonds,
how the
man. I
market
don't
is
think it's
evolving?
something I'm into.
This is a very important level of support. So when the price crosses this kind of level, which is
I
a very
only
good
want to
way
spend money on
understand,
things that
this
I
market
can
might
justify
get a
spending on,
rejection
because
from
you're
here,
locking up your money, you know.
potentially,
Chains
there is
make
a
an outfit,
probability
yeah,
for
but
the price
depends
to
on your
test the
thing.
upside, as this is a weekly support level on CHFJPY. It's
The
coming
man
down
makes
to
the
the
suit.
weekly
I also
support.
agree with that.
And we might see that the market is coming down,
Few
and
Modavos.
getting rejected.
Yeah, I
from that
own
level.
one nice timepiece. I need a sugar daddy. Need a sugar mommy. That's what you need.
Ram me. How's everything, Ram? I'm a little bit like fucking. I'm a
Do
little
we
bit
change
shocked.
our resistance? Unless you're trading it, no need to change it. I'm still looking for buys on GG. I'm still bullish.
Let's see.
So I'm still bullish.
We see AUD USD again.
Property is
trying
one
to
of the
pick up,
best
so that
investments
means
out there, for
gold,
sure, for sure.
We see gold is. Let's see gold again to see. It has come down for a deeper.
I think real estate, you
pullback,
can't go wrong with
which
real
is
estate.
good. Now from the 15
Alright,
minutes.
so I marked where our weekly flip's bearish.
When did you
If
start
it is
trading?
flips bearish, we're
3 years
targeting
ago.
the SMA.
Which timepiece do you own?
That's the target.
Only at the basic Rolexes.
We're looking
And
at
the
the
price has
Not the
you can
basic,
see
but
almost
the-
came to the support level here.
Takes wear the
For
same
1
black
hour,
shirts. They
we
cost them
can
$3
see
each. He said, yeah, it's all you need.
There is
You
a
just need
probability
something
for
comfortable.
gold now to come down to test this neckline because it.
Wear
it
what you
failed
want to
to
wear.
break
If you
the
want to
higher
wear
high
designer,
here
wear
with this
designer. If you
1
don't want to
hour
wear
doji on
design,
gold.
just be you. Be
The way
you
this
and don't do it
price
for
action
anyone
formed,
else
we
except
might
yourself.
see
That's
that
my
the
number
next
one
also
rule.
coming down with the
Right?
news
No one, at
and
the end of the
testing
day,
this
no
level.
one's going to care
And
about
from
you
here
at some
we can
point, you know?
expect that
And
gold is
no one
moving
does
up
care about you
again.
as much as
So
you
this
want
is
to
where
think
we'll
about
be
it. There's only a
waiting
few
on this
people in the
smart
world who
money
do.
zone for
Your job
stopping
is just
the
to try
movement
make your own
on
impact
gold.
and to do the best you can. And the best you can do is to do yourself. Right? It's not to do what
Right,
other
so
people.
let's see.
You don't have to prove anything to anyone except yourself. It's your goals, it's your life, and don't let other people dictate. Other people's opinions is not going to dictate
So
you.
let's see.
Right?
Wait for the best trade. Patience is the key. Hope that you always stay patient when you are trading.
How much percent you
Given
profit in a
that,
month?
you always
Around
stay
10,
patient,
15,
which is,
20%.
the key
8%? Yeah,
aspect
Forrest Gump.
of
That's the
being
movie. That's the
profitable
movie.
trader.
Really good movie.
And to develop patience, it is important that
What was my initial investment to start my
stay,
trading? My initial investment,
just
first
when you're
investment was
trading.
$25,000.
Get upset about it. You shouldn't think you're.
But
keep
I
yourself
withdrew some of that
engaged
because it
with-
was too much. I
if
was
you're
only
trading
risking
on the live
250 a
session,
trade,
you
and I
have
said,
the live
why don't
or
I just
anything
risk
you are doing,
3% on a smaller
so then you
account?
can stay patient.
And that was
Whenever
that.
you think that you are going out of the control,
It's what's gonna make you successful.
over trading, just
Don't.
know,
So like the opportunities.
How
Stand
much
up
do I
for
risk
now.
per
Yes,
trade,
now
percentage
goes
or
now.
money
Now
wise?
Where people that
that
have
will be
failed
able to help.
stop.
So
And other
let's see
people
that
have become successful that have failed.
GBP
kept on going,
USD,
they
we
kept on
looked
going,
at
they kept on going. So don't lose
euro
that.
dollar. We haven't looked at it yet. So let's see
Grammy,
euro
don't lose
dollar.
that, Don't lose that. Don't lose that. Don't lose that. Don't lose
Looking
that,
at the
bro. Don't
daily
lose that
on
fucking
euro dollar, we can see that
triumph,
from the
because
daily
that
perspective,
day's gonna take you to fucking being better traders with
this is a euro dollar price action.
Percent
This
wise,
is a
1 to
downtrending
3%. I normally
market,
risk
but
around,
the way the
I
price
risk
action
2%,
on euro
something
dollar,
like that.
which is
3%.
we see that
Maybe some trades
potentially
even 4.
in a zone where the price there is a probability.
How much trading
for a
you start
reversal
trading
trend.
Korea? As much as you
But at
can
the same
afford. It's
time,
up to you.
you
It's
see
based on your
euro dollar,
financial
this is
situation.
a
Maybe making
swing
$2,000
low
is
here
enough for you.
on
So
euro
you
dollar
only need
from
that.
the weekly support level. We saw there is a break of this support, and with that break of this support from this level, we see euro dollar initially had a bounce. Now what we see that in this market on euro dollar, after
I've started
going up,
$3,000 account.
you
Can I
could
make
see
5%
that
daily?
another
5% daily is
retest of
500% in a
this
year.
support level
Tell me one
on
investment
euro dollar.
that gives you 500%
And
in a
then
year
I think
consistently.
we might see
Very
a
hard,
change
man.
of trend, which
I
is
wouldn't
a
be risking
probability.
5%
Or we
daily.
could
I'd
Man, look how prices respecting.
be
see a
2%
doji,
daily,
yeah,
yes.
on the weekly.
But shouldn't be
So
focusing on
it's-
what you can
if we
make
look
daily.
at
You
the
should be
daily,
focusing
we
on
can
getting
see that
trades correct.
this is
That's
the
what you
daily
should be
price
focusing
action.
on.
Today we see a couple of news coming up. We might see that the price breaking this daily low and then going back up again, because less
this is
likely
pretty
that
boring
for
today,
me
huh?
euro
Gold
dollar
is
will be
also
able to break like
rejecting
that.
now.
Instead,
Also
I think
quite
that after
boring.
breaking the daily low, we might see that again
Good morning,
another
Luke.
bounce going up to the resistance. So from the lower time frame, this is the doji on euro dollar.
Looks like price wants to
After
go
this
down. Yeah, looks like it wants to
local
pull back before
bullish
maybe later
channel.
on continuing up.
See, this is the local
Sticking
bullish
to my
channel.
plan of
Price now
still
coming down. I
bullish
think
today
that after
until
breaking all
otherwise.
this low, we could see euro dollar again going back up. So there is a,
No homo.
because it's a, you see it's a downtrend, but at the same time the price
No homo.
is
If you have more money to
coming
back up,
to-
yeah, you can trade.
it
But
is now
this is,
breaking this
you know, I don't know
local
anything
support
about
level.
someone in
I'll
YouTube
be
chat.
waiting for this breakout
You
and
know,
then to see how
10,
the
they
price
lose
is
10 trades in a
reacting.
row, they've blown their whole
If we
account,
see
you know.
that significant
And then they
probability for this
redeposit, they blow their
upside,
whole account again.
look
So
for
that's why I keep
buying
that
based
rule
on
of.
how the price
It's
is
also
moving.
less stress
So
free
that will reflect
when
on
you don't see
gold.
too much of your
If
cannons
euro
going
dollar
down.
we see that coming down, gold also
Low
we
trading
could
as end
see
of
that
month,
come down.
exactly. That
And
definitely plays
for
a
me
balance.
at the moment, I think
Next
the
month is
gold
September. Hopefully we should
may
start to
retest
get
this
some more
level,
volume.
and then
Yeah,
we can
typical
hit like
August
this. We
behavior
could
from
see
GJ.
another
That
long
is
week
exactly
candle,
right.
and then
You
an
have my eyes
upside
around
on trend.
674. Yeah, man. If that's your
Right,
plan,
it
you
will
follow it.
depend on,
I don't trade that way, as you
the
know.
news as well, how the AUD
But
news come
definitely
in,
What?
and then we'll see
Could work
a
out for you if
clear
that's your plan, especially with
direction
no top wick.
in the market.
Makes sense.
All right, as soon as we will find an entry, definitely we will be looking to enter
Is balance
position,
important?
and
I
we
meant if
do
you had
in
$10,
every
if you, I
live
can
session
raise,
every day.
if you can
Also,
rise
I do
$10, it's a
share
matter
all
of
my
a
trade
10,000.
with the VIPs as well.
Am I wrong about this?
I'll
Not sure
recommend
I
you to
understand,
join
but
today
no,
if you
balance is
want
not
to speed
important
up
if
your
you have the
learning
skill because
and
you
growing
can
as
risk
a trader.
a bigger percentage.
Thank you very much.
Do you operate
Nasdaq,
out of session? Yeah.
GJ could be nice. Buy from support level.
We look at it.
Could
I
be
don't
like
trade
that.
in no volume time.
Coach, can you take a look?
In a non-volume
Well,
time, I don't trade.
William
Imagine I'm gonna
XY
risk $1,000
playing with 104. Okay.
account size.
So looking at WTI crude oil.
I'm new here and I like how you
See?
answer the questions. I appreciate you. That's why we're here, right? We're waiting for our trades. At the end of the day, trading is a game of patience. GJ has not done much. Counter trend sells option
Looking
if
at
you're
the
looking for that, but
daily time
at the end of the
frame
day, I'm not.
on,
You sell signals? No, I don't believe in
WTI.
signals.
Damn it.
I don't like
so
signals,
we see that
and
from
I
the
don't
daily
personally sell them. I
US
rather
oil,
guide
after
someone
creating
through an
this
entry
long
than
wick handle,
to give an entry.
the price
Just don't want it.
started to reject. Let me see the weekly. Okay,
Oh,
so here is the
Interested to see
key
what happens at
points
8
on
a.m.?
WTI.
Well,
We
that
can
was
see that
interesting what
previous
just
week there is a
happened.
long week middleman. Now this candle is a two-way candle. We could see the price is breaking up again. As we see that
What
the
would you
price
like to
after
see to change
testing
your
this
bias on GJ?
important
4-hour
level,
candle closing
price
bearish
started
would
to
change some
reject.
stuff.
we might see now
Do you think market these days moves pretty slow? Yes, it will. It will because it is summer months. So summer months, you will see generally slower movement. It's just how it works. And you just have to be patient. Maybe I have a plan in New York so you can get trades during the week to make sure to pay you. But you know, 2-3 good trades during the week can make your month. You know, making 10% a month is great still. You know, that's not difficult.
Again to test this zone. And
You
then
know,
from
so
here,
September
we could
hopefully
see
we should see some
WTI
volume start to
again
come back in because people
breaking
will
towards the
be
upside.
coming back
Now,
from the holidays
from
now.
the daily, this is a
Do you think the gold
long
4-hour
doji here
closing
on the
below
daily
12
perspective
minute
on WTI.
could be an
There
option?
is a
4 hours
probability
not
now
closing
for the
in 12
seller
minutes.
to break this low.
But if you're talking about
as we
closing
are
below here,
expecting on
no,
the
I don't
weekly
think
to come
because of
down.
this resistance
So if we
here.
look at the
think
lower
that'd be a
time
little
frame,
bit
we see
risky.
that there is a long rejection consolidation.
How would you describe
from
your
that zone,
trading
we can
strategy?
expect
Trading from range to range
WTI
using
come
candle
down
closures.
and forming a head and shoulder. So there is a probability for WTI to remain downside. We see
Yeah,
this
it's wrong
this
though, it's wrong.
resistance line. The price
It's
had
not
a
supposed to be
rejection.
closing in 12
I think
minutes.
WTI we might see for short term will come down, and then we can expect.
How often do you
to remain
increase
bullish.
the lot size of your compound your account? So I don't compound it, I withdraw from my account. I keep my
Anthony,
account
thank you very
around mid
much,
5 figures
for joining.
and I just risk
Happy with you. Thank you
3%
very
of
much
that because
for
I don't want to
being
keep
here.
too much money in a
Make sure, guys,
brokerage.
you like
In
this
terms of
stream and
increasing lot
subscribe
size,
to the channel
I look
if
to
you
push it
haven't done yet.
when I'm comfortable to push it. So
GBP
normally
USD
that ends up
liquidity,
being
30
once a
minutes.
year.
Let me see.
I'm thinking about taking buy soon.
Just depends what builds or what's something I want to buy or something I want to do. You know, it's like I don't want to push risk and then I can't
GBP
achieve that.
Looking at
I've been watching your YouTube videos. I'm
Okay,
part of the
so
learning
30
support and
minutes, if
resistance,
we
but
look at,
I'm not sure if I draw them correctly. Can
it
anyone
formed
confirm
that
it?
long week candle,
You'll
couple
have to
of
see.
long week candles. So we could see that GBP USD, if we look at
Closing in
the
2 hours,
daily,
yeah.
we can see that the market has gone up.
Who taught me to
Tested
trade?
this
Multiple
long week.
people.
Currently we see some
Learn
rejection.
from multiple
Let me
sources.
see the 4-hour
Just like you guys.
from the lower time frame. We
Remember,
can see that
I all
GBP
started where
USD
you guys started.
after breaking this
That's why I'm
resistance
here
coming
sharing
up.
my
Okay.
experience.
So as we see that as the news coming, we might see
What lot
that
size do you
GBP
I
USD
use? I'm not some
is
big boy
coming
trader
down,
who's trading
and
on
then
50
from
lots
here
here.
we
I
can
just pop a
expect
simple
GBP
8
USD
lot.
to
That's
move.
probably my
Now,
most common.
it
8,
is-
6, 10.
It is
Those are
grabbing
my comments,
liquidity,
depending
but we
on
need
the
to
stop loss
see
size.
where it is starting
Legal
to
in
reverse,
Dubai? No,
okay?
no
This
way.
is where we need to see the candle close. If we see that
Did you
GBP
blow
USD
accounts? No, I didn't
has
blow
come well
accounts. Risk
below
management was a
and
skill I
then
had from
prepared
very
for
early
a
on when I
uprise,
started
then
in
we can
crypto.
look to go long. From the 4-hour, we could see downside, and once you will see that opportunity has come, we will
Screens?
be
2
GBP
screens I have.
USD.
No bottom wick. That is
Let me
trash.
see how it is doing.
This looks good, man. I like this.
Alright, so you see GBP JPY also
Maybe just mark this resistance here.
coming
Otherwise,
down
this
for
looks
a
good. Very
deeper
clean, very simple.
pullback.
Yeah,
So all the
looks
JPY
good, man.
pairs, so you see some downside movement, including the Euro JPY.
Can I start with $10? You can start with $0, man.
Also
Right, you
CHF
start on
JPY,
demo
we have
account,
seen
$0.
that some downside movement has come with this break. And if we look at the weekly, the price just below the weekly
Is trading haram?
level,
No,
we
I don't
might
think
see
trading
that
is haram.
we could see some attempt from the buyers to break the high again.
I think people do a lot worse. I think in religion, intention is the biggest thing for me in religion. What is your intention?
Okay, so if we look at this one,
But I don't know. I'm
candle
not
on
gonna say
CHF
yes or
JPY,
no.
it's a very sharp vertical candle.
How did you first learn Forex? I watched YouTube videos and I kept switching strategy because nothing worked. And then I found out that was not a good idea. I have a video that basically explained my journey. It's this one. After trying 5 Forex strategies, this has worked for me. So this is where I basically talk about it. So I'd recommend
So
watching
this
this.
drop on CHF JPY.
And if you guys haven't
is
watched the latest video already, check this out,
from
guys.
the
I
daily,
definitely
it is,
recommend.
it is basically
Price action was really
a bullish
difficult until I
market.
changed these
Okay,
two
so
things.
we can expect any time to have a
Check that out.
reaction to the
Hope
upside.
that helps you guys.
I think it's in a
Harry,
very
you don't
important
have any
level on
strategies or
CHF
even a
JPY.
plan, and that's called
So all
gambling.
the JPY
Thank you,
pairs
man.
doing the same thing. So
Oh
let's
yeah,
see
yeah, exactly.
is
When you don't
doing.
have, yeah, exactly.
Alright, boys, we're gonna take a buy.
Thought you were telling me off.
Start executing on buys. I have decided that we will take a buy with 30 pip stop loss.
Support from here, I don't mind taking back up even. But we needed to support. Demo accounts are underrated in my opinion. Without the demo, I don't think I'd be trading. Yes, they are really underrated. It's because people are too focused on the money and don't get attached to
looking
the
at
trades.
the monthly on CHF and all the JPY pairs, so you see
I
that
cannot
the
gain
monthly
weight
close is
fast.
coming. We see
Should I
that
eat more?
some,
If you're going to the gym, then yes, you should
bullish,
be eating
some
more.
pullback coming
Eat
in
more
this
rice,
market.
eat more potatoes. No, make sure that with every one of, try to eat 5 meals a day.
I like the way the price has been rising, the way
So-
You know?
we've been having. It's what I've been waiting for. I'm
And,
bullish on bias.
We see that
Just
from
keep
the
it clean, but just eat a lot more and monitor your weight. Don't be
higher
looking
time
to
frame
gain more than like
perspective,
half a
we see
kg a week.
We have a lot of volatility. We're gonna be
Kg a week max.
Makes sense of the
We're gonna be actually targeting
currency
the top of
pairs,
this
how
SMA
it
again.
is doing.
When drawing support and resistance, is it to look for supports on an uptrend? No, not on the downtrend. You're just marking from the daily down to the 4 hour.
Hopefully not. Hopefully it's not.
What are my thoughts on
Look
gold?
at
Gold just ranging at
gold.
the moment. Are you Muslim?
From
No,
1
I'm
hour, this
personally
is
not.
a resistance which is starting support.
Well, yeah, boys. I don't know if you guys like the Instagram video. I think everybody loves that Instagram video. Who doesn't? Looks great to me.
The amount of meals doesn't matter? Well, it does, because you're not gonna be, it's not really optimal to put 200 grams of carbs in one meal. You rather spread that out.
Comment section and go
What's my account size now? Mid 5 figures.
the leader right now. I need that candlestick to close ASAP, bro. Close, you bitch.
Do I trade NAS? No, because my main session is London session, so I don't really trade NAS.
Okay, so you see that the price now slowly, this is the previous resistance turning support, which is in fact
Best
you can see
advice
the
on
price is
psychology?
slowly-
Watch the psychology
this
video.
a
That is my
bull
best
flag,
advice.
and
That's why I made that
very
video,
highly
and I
likely that
recommend
we
you
could
guys
see
watch it
slowly
too.
gold is coming down to this support level and then bouncing towards the upside. So I will be waiting
It's an
for
interesting pullback, this.
that to happen, the price to grab liquidity and then to
If
give
this
us
4 hour
an
closes
entry
like this, New
opportunity.
York could have some options for some downside.
1% risk.
I really feel, guys, and I'm gonna announce this now, I really feel price is gonna come down here, retest somewhere around this zone here, and then we see a fake out buy. Everyone's gonna try sell below this
So
support.
from the
They're gonna take sells here, and it's gonna be like, not today. And then we see
the
this
price
happen.
slowly trying to create this momentum.
Price is just taking time to set up today. Nothing I can do about that. Your take on prop firms and funded accounts? You have to be a great
Okay,
trader, and
so
then you
yeah,
can use it to your
here
advantage to build your
in a
own
very
personal
crucial
account.
zone, gold, and from
Have
that
you ever been to
zone,
Burj
I will
Khalifa?
wait
Yeah, of
for
course.
a retest.
I love the DAX.
Right,
Yeah,
and
we
then
have
to
people who
look
trade
for
the DAX.
buying whenever the price will give us that
In the private
entry
group, we have a
opportunity.
DAX
I will
killer in the
recommend to
private.
be patient as the
He
news
loves
coming
trading.
later. As soon as you see that news been released,
think it's DAX.
in just
He was probably like fucking watching the charts and like
in just a half an hour
listening
later,
to me while watching
I
the
will
chart
be
probably.
looking to enter position. I hope that guys you enjoyed this live session, as still there isn't not showing any entry. We'll be looking to
Here's
enter
a
as soon as
resident
we
DAX
find
trader, if it would
any
like,
entry
there it is.
opportunity.
So
Alright,
maybe
guys,
you
I
took
hope
the
that
same
you
trade
enjoyed
as
this
him.
live
So
session. Make
he
sure
sent
that
the
you
plan.
like
This is
this
what I
and
love to
also
see.
stay tuned
So
for
let's
the
go look
next
at his
one
plan
coming
first.
up in
His
couple of
plan
hours.
was to
And
buy above
that's where
the
we'll be
resistance
covering all
here,
the news
LTA
as
to the
well.
left. Same
And in the
strategy that we
meantime,
use.
if
Same
you
strategy
want
that
to
we
join
use
us to be part
in
of Forex Trading Wizard
on
Academy, I will
GJ.
recommend you
He's
to join
just put it
today.
on DAX.
Link below this
And
video.
now
You
it
can
buys
join
above
us
the
to see
simple
all
plan.
the VIP
We
trade
go,
that I am opening
boom,
and
he
also
took
all
his
the
plan
strategy that I
as
am
price
using
closed above that
in Forex
zone,
Trading Wizard
and
Academy.
TP
Thank you,
smashed.
and I'll see
We'll
you
give him a
soon
thumbs
in
up
my
and a cheers,
next one.
and there we go. Very nice to see.
Time we come beneath the 8 SMA, we are rejecting it and going above it with this bullish price action that we have. That's the only thing that I'm plus this.
How long did it take you to get mid 5 figures personal account? Well, luckily I made money in crypto, so I could fund that.
I just have a whole bunch of little indicators telling me that we should try to take the bullish bias. Now, if this
Are you in for hitting the Dunes in winter? Yeah, of course, man. Why, are you in Dubai?
manage, you risk 1%, you risk your 0.5%, you risk maximum 1.5%. That's the way I go about
I have a Nissan VTC.
We're not gonna go for revenge trades, and if we do go for a revenge trade, it's just gonna be
What country you stream from? I live in Dubai.
like around here, you know. So maybe
The buys have to cover the bearish candlestick? No, you just need a support to form.
as in if price goes to my stop loss by trickling,
Are you still trading crypto? Investing, not trading.
maybe like 0.5%. But if it goes to my stop loss volatile, like with big candlesticks, I think that it probably needs to hit lower.
Yes, been living here for around 4 years.
My
Nice.
stop loss is 30 pips because I don't want to really make it any bigger, and I'm not a huge.
If you guys enjoying the stream,
I would even put it
I know there's nothing much going on at the moment. I'm still waiting too.
even lower.
But be sure to leave a like.
To hop into the buy, but I also
At least 300 likes. We can get almost 600 of us in here. Appreciate everyone
volatility to come and turn the price around, and then I'm just I'm already been
joining the stream.
which is where I should
Hey man, I'm here from London, bro. I've seen you sent me a message on Instagram. That's not me. That's a scammer. I will never message you first. Please do not reply back.
plan is a strategy.
I'm glad you said that. That is a scammer. I will not randomly message you. I don't know who that is. I don't know who you are, so I'm not gonna message you first.
Now a little bit
What cryptos you invest in? I stick to the basics, man. Bitcoin and Ethereum.
with what we are doing.
Back in the day, I used to do all of the stuff.
I think that
Altcoins and stuff.
with good execution, everybody
Bro, the picture quality is not good because you need to increase it from your side.
You know, at least like
What strategy am I using? Price action.
it's too early to tell.
Took any trade today? Unfortunately, not yet. Still waiting here.
Too early to tell, boys. Damn, man, what happened to the fucking line that said we're in this trade? Is that shit still here? Yeah, we are. Make this shit small.
Average percentage per month. We're looking at month before this. This month we're looking at 8%. The month before we're looking at 12%.
This could still
The
be
month
great.
before like around almost 20%. So do the average. This month I made a 8%. Took it easy though. Took it easy. Well, it's not over yet, so maybe I make more. If I lose money, then I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose some percentage here.
That we don't have music going on, bro. You guys can't. You guys gotta let me know.
Because we have a few days till the month ends, and if I end up losing, then guess what's gonna happen? Then I'm gonna make less, right? So we don't know. Or I could win and make more. Where Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is the first, so yeah, Friday will be a interesting.
The open is just here. So I've just looked to the left and see where we potentially could form a support at, and this is obviously one of them, around at 19, 21, 50. If we form support around that
I would
point
like
there,
to see a
then I'm
15-minute
gonna
candle
trust the
close
buy.
bullish, and then the 5-minute
I'm gonna trust
do a
it.
kind of change of structure for me to in order to take
Trusting
buys.
that it's not gonna come back down and create the lower wick, or not just yet anyway.
How do you message me? You can message me by just
And as
clicking
soon
my
as it
name
gets
on
break this
Discord.
support,
If you go to
that's
the
when I
Discord
start to
channel
believe
and
there's a good chance we are
anything
gonna
I
create a lower
post,
wick. And
you can
that's
just
when I
message
said
me.
that's when the sells,
Or you can
in my
just
opinion,
DM me
start
on
to present a
Instagram.
little bit more,
That's
but not
another
straight away.
easier way
Let
to
it
do
pull
it.
back, actually create that lower wick.
5 to 10% a month is great. I definitely agree
Then
with that.
retest that 19, 21,
I think
50.
5 to
that was the
10% a month is
start stream,
achievable,
and then
clean,
potentially that's
and
when the
is
sells
good.
become clearer, in my
In
opinion.
for a buy already. Good luck, good luck. I don't think it's just ready yet, so make sure you're managing that.
Really want this count close strong.
The summer
bullish
affects the
to
forex
10-15.
markets. It's just a little
And
bit
then
slower,
followed
that's
by that
all.
weak
You know, you
bearish
just have to
candle.
be a bit more patient. I think people lack patience.
Just that it's a nasty area right now, JJ.
This might be a fucking nasty ass buy.
What's my opinion about trading gold? Good pair. I prefer it in New York.
Last week I only took 3 trades, guys. All week. And all 3 were winners. It's
Making
just about
stats
being
on that.
patient.
Long day in Canada, Labor Day weekend. I see. Don't think that'll affect GJ though.
Guys,
Help
we're
you
doing a
find
giveaway.
GBP index? You don't need to find GBP
Today's
index.
29th.
Where's GJ
31
going?
days, if I'm
Well, I'm
correct,
still
in
bullish
August.
on GJ.
Price, even though I said my buy zone was down here.
Do most people in Dubai speak
So I'll
English?
probably
Yes.
be doing the giveaway on Thursday.
Big portion of the.
Thursday or Friday. We'll see. You need to be on stream to win it. I'm
People
with
so
the wheel
obsessed
spins
with
because
gold
no one
because
ever
they think
claims
they
it.
can make a lot of money on it
Um,
because of the way it moves.
So
But
let's
they
just
forget that the same money
deal.
they can make, they can
Question
lose.
answer
So
thing.
it's
Best
irrelevant.
best
It's the
dressed
exact same
with the
thing.
correct answer, obviously.
It's like the same
And,
thing that
yeah,
happens with
sometimes
people who
it's a
trade
random
US 30.
question.
They think,
Usually it's all
oh, on US 30, I can make a lot of
financial
money
related,
because
not
of the big
necessarily
moves.
forex related.
Well, if you just risk, you're risking
I'll
the
try
same
to keep
amount
them
of
more
money as
forex
well.
related.
If you just risk higher lot size on GJ, you'll
So
make
make
the
sure to
same
be on
money.
stream. This Thursday and Friday, I'll decide. I'm not sure which one yet.
Been
I'll
binging
choose.
content, confident with your trades, learning and earning, amazing. If you speak Arabic in Dubai, yeah, it helps.
There's a fire ass song that somebody recommended to me.
Yeah, bigger lot size on smaller trades is the exact
Watch
same
gold
as
on my
smaller lot
MetaTrader.
size.
My bad for the gold, guys. We are not in a gold trade right now. That's just me being distracted. This is the trade where. Where's my fucking writing?
Like the stream, you new to the stream will be watching to learn. Welcome, welcome. Hope you can benefit from it. If you guys are new, make sure to leave a subscribe.
This guy goes on.
Trying to get to 25k subs. I think that'll be cool.
Throw him in that water.
Is it copy your trades? Doesn't make sense. Is it possible? It's up to you. That's not my problem. I would not recommend. I recommend you learn from my trades, but you can do whatever you want to do. Pretty slow session here, guys. Pretty slow session, to be honest.
Man, I have to be for sure the fucking.
How many years have I been trading? 3.
Playlist on while they're trading. I feel like every other person got some fucking.
Price action playlist is awesome. Yeah, I told you that would help you. I'm glad you like it.
Let's see if September brings the volume. On in session.
Damn, dude, I don't like how this 1 hour looks.
5% growth
really
each
starts
day
to
in the
pick up
forex
September,
market.
October.
I mean, if you risk 5%, why not?
Yeah, see if this year is going to be the same.
It's more about the three. It's the three bear shit.
How many push-ups can you do in a row? I have not tested that.
Bearish makes sense.
I don't see why I would do less than 50. I think 100 is a bit of a push. 50 should be easy. 5 sets of 10? Yeah, come on. No, 50 is too less even. I think 80 we can push. I do 30 push-ups.
Since
don't
we
know.
are, September will pick up because it's my birthday month. Nice one, it's my son's birthday month as well.
High key, I'll manage risk if I don't like how
My price might just set up for early New York.
This
Yeah, I'm thinking that as well.
Saturday, actually. And little man is turning 8.
How much money in your account? Tell me exactly where you live.
Very
Tell me
cute boy.
everything. Tell me what blood type you are,
He
and then
asked
we
me
can
this
start
morning
talking about my account.
he wants his birthday today. It's pretty funny.
London volume, turn price around.
There's a one on Saturday.
How long been going to the gym? I started seriously.
Doesn't work like that, my son.
Always been athletic, but seriously in the gym, probably around a year and something.
Down channel.
Almost 2 years,
Side
yeah.
channel.
Happy birthday, fellow
Seriously.
Virgo. He's a character. He's a
It's
real
just
character.
when price needs
No way maximum. Yeah, I don't think. I haven't
Oh, nice
tested.
one.
That's
so, yeah,
why.
Second.
not no fake indicator.
Good day.
It's real fucking.
How many
That's-
pairs do you trade?
That's my boy's
Mainly
birthday. So
1.
I wish
Do you have a
happy
girlfriend?
birthday,
No.
birthday as well, my
I
friend.
get nervous about trades. All I do is I look at the fucking my.
I got all the hoes.
It looks the best on this candlestick chart that we're
Surely
looking
do
right now.
100? Yeah, I haven't tested, so I can't give you an accurate answer.
Right. We have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows constantly being formed. Wick
Little
rejection,
boss man. He's the
upsides,
manager of the house.
Where do you think sales will make sense on GJ? If this 4-hour close is bearish,
sellers, maybe this one's faking
back inside the range is only where sales make sense, right?
Being responsible
Then
this Saturday,
once
though.
that happens,
Nice one.
you're probably
Um,
looking below this support here
I'll try to
at
be.
around 467.
Not even sure what the deal is just yet. Usually
This
we
is the fake out
go
zone.
out,
Remember what I said?
um,
Counter trend.
fairly-
First structure that it
barely
breaks
big group
is
to be
the
honest.
fake out. First major structure is
Um,
the fake out zone, then the second one.
And then grandparents take little one home. Around 9 o'clock usually.
Any good
And
meals you
so
like to
just
eat
keep-
except for
keep
chicken and
going.
rice? I like my oats and
Yeah,
eggs. I
it's
really
only like last-
cream of
the
rice.
last
My
meal as
cream of
well.
rice is really good. And
Big
beef
night.
and
Yeah, we got back at,
potatoes.
like,
I enjoy
5,
my
which
beef
is-
and potatoes. So
I hate getting back that late. Hate it.
skipping post analysis today. Need to go to the office. Cheers, man. Have a good day, man. Nothing much happened. You're not gonna miss much. Bro, if I invite you to Ethiopia, would you come?
Every bloody day.
I mean,
No
I don't
matter
know
what time
you.
I get
It's
to
kind of
bed.
weird, but I appreciate the invite, man.
Got in about 1:45 last night. In the morning. This morning. An alarm set for 5 to 6. To wake up little ones, get ready.
Do I eat raket?
Ali slept because he's just so
Yeah, my friend
conscious
told me
of
what
it
that
after
was.
sleeping through it.
Alright.
I think
So,
I've tried it
Kept
before.
checking the time. It's like still an hour. It's still an hour and a half now.
Green
Still
thing
half an hour.
He's in
Oh,
chat
shit.
now, isn't he?
Doesn't happen.
Yeah, there he is.
Now, if you guys over leveraged, you guys most likely already closed out of this.
He likes it.
Yeah, Brishy. Nice one. Centuriora, always a movie.
Is it
Well,
important
life
to have
is-
specific setups and stick to them? Never
What
trade
life
other
is,
than
my
them?
friend.
Not only it's important, it's the only way you're gonna make money.
Daniel, hey mate, what strategy
That's
are you
how
using?
important it is. It's
Structure
the only way you're
based
gonna
off-
make money.
It's by determine bias based off analyzing 4 different time frames. Trade in line with the bias and look for. I determine what levels I want to get involved on the chart in a
Ground
trade.
beef, yeah.
And I wait for the
95%
catalyst
lean ground
For
beef.
me to
I
to
think in
actually execute.
America
So
you
signals
guys
within
have
price action. Once price is at
94,
my levels, to look
but
to
yeah,
to
95%
trade, buy, sell, whatever.
Lean beef and potatoes in the air fryer.
So right now
Perfect.
in GJ, I'd really rather pull back, form a support this level here. It's sort of in the middle of nowhere
Most
just now.
popular dish in Dubai,
Wanna
probably
buy it.
burgers.
And gold as well. Waiting for now. See what
Any
happens
reason
in this
not to
level.
trade Brent? I've just focused on GJ because it's where I made money.
Scalper entry, a little bit something a little bit more, I guess, aggressive, not 30 pips. But
Why are you talking about anything
you
but
as well.
Forex? Because there's nothing happening
don't
to
like
talk
trading
about
this bit
Forex,
because I
and
don't think
people have
the
been
gaps
watching the stream for a
really
long
puts me
time.
off.
And we're just chilling here. There's nothing we can do if price is moving a pip at a
Just
time.
gaps all over the
Gold
place.
is doing nothing.
Weekly, I'd
What am
say
I?
it's
I'm
weak
not gonna
bearish.
trade a random pair
Itself.
that
Daily
I don't know
structure
anything
is
about.
Bullish, but we
You
do
know?
have counter probabilities to the
It's
downside.
fine. I'm gonna trade my plan.
That previous candle just means grab liquidity from the upside.
And if you have a
As soon as the
plan that
current
trades
candle
this
should
market
just make a
condition, then
small
you
low
should
wick,
be in a
which is
trade
what it
and
has done. As soon as it begins to break the low, it's likely
you should
to
be
continue
profiting
to
right
the
now.
downside. So it is technically bullish, but with counter probabilities to the
this
downside.
chat's a
for our
vibe. Yeah,
structure.
stream is a vibe. You know what,
It's
guys?
also
I think I'm
technically
gonna call it
bullish
a
and
stream here
just
because there's
it
nothing
has
much
just
happening. This
nasty.
candle is not
Really
closing.
nasty.
Bullish here. And I'm not
Consolidation,
taking
choppy
sells only for
traffic.
me is gonna
It
come
does
below
look a bit
450.
cleaner
That's my
below
personal plan.
this wick here,
It's a
so
while
let's
till we
just,
get there.
adjust that.
Watch for the fake out from this zone, guys. Right? Watch for the fake out from this zone.
Support.
That would be a good buying opportunity.
the thing is,
Yeah, above here, of course,
Daily
easy buying
was
opportunity.
bullish.
Maybe back above here even. Otherwise, it's just gonna range until maybe New York.
And 30
I will
is
be
also
trading New
bullish.
York
I'd rather
today,
buy it.
and I'll update you guys if I get
15
any
is the thing's gonna
positions.
flip at this point here, and it's
And
clean below that point. So
don't
the
go,
option
bro.
is simple right
We
now.
have to keep it nice and short,
Buying
man.
it,
You have to,
it's
otherwise
just
people will
consolidating.
get tired
So
and
you
not
need
show up
catalyst.
tomorrow. So
I need,
I'll
again,
see you guys
price
tomorrow,
action to
hopefully.
show
And
me
I
that it's
appreciate
reached
you
break
guys
through
joining in the
consolidation.
chat as always.
I'll
For
give you-
me,
I'll tell
it
you
becomes
guys
a lot
the
cleaner.
heads up. For everybody who got broken out,